Yes.
May please, your lordship. My lord, I beg to mention item number 32, lordship. It is stated
32.
outside the court, lordship, which become infractuous. I have an instruction to close it.
32.
32, lordship.
Mr. K. Majumdar,
Lordship.
learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that the writ petition has become infructuous, therefore press for disposal of the same minister. Accordingly, the writ petition stands disposed of as infructuous.
May please, your lordship. I'd beg to mention item number 28. This
Hmm.
matter has also become infructuous, your lordship.
Same Mr.
H. Buragohai.
H.
Buragohai.
Buragohai, learned counsel for the petition, submits that writ petition has become infructuous. Accordingly, writ petition stands disposed of. Closed. Disposed of as infructuous.
May I please, Lordship? I would like to mention item number 16 to 20.
Hmm.
My senior could not have his eyesight in some problem.
16 to,
20, admission total.
what is the matter?
That relates to revenue related matter, no, my lord.
Mr.
S. Ahmed, S.
S. Ahmed,
Yes. On behalf of R.C. Bhattacharya.
learned counsel, appearing on behalf of Mr. Dr. R.C.
Yes,
Borpatra Gohai, submits that Mr. Dr. Borpatra Gohai has some personal difficulty today. Therefore, press for listing of the matter after 4 weeks. Prayer is allowed, list after 4 weeks.
May it please, your lordship. Insofar as item numbers 34 to 37 is concerned,
Hmm.
in 35, I was appointed as an amicus.
Hmm.
Now, in 34, the petitioner's person had filed a review application
Hmm.
for review of the order appointing me as amicus.
Ha.
In the fitness of things, my lord, for today, because the review will be heard, I may be excused with all respect, my lord.
Hmm.
I may not be present in the court.
Take-
All right. The matters may go on.
We'll review it.
Look, so far as, because the review is there with the tag matters, my presence may be excused today. Obliged, lordship.
May I please, your lordship, with the consent of the respondent, I beg to mention item number 7.
Hmm.
Lordship, this matter is led by my senior Sri Kiran Chaudhary.
Hmm.
He has some difficulty today, lordship. So kindly adjourn the matter for the day, lordship.
On the prayer of Mr. Miss?
Kakoti.
Huh?
R. Kakoti.
R. Kokate, learned counsel appearing, learned counsel submits that Mr. Ken Chaudhary, learned senior counsel, has some difficulty, who has been engaged in this matter, has some personal difficulty today. Therefore, press for listing of the matter after 4 weeks, prayer list after 4 weeks.
Lordship, in cause which our name has not been reflected, so it's directed to reflect.
Ken
our-
Chaudhary,
Yes, lordship.
petitioner,
Yes, lordship.
registered to reflect the name of the senior counsel, Mr. Ken Chaudhary, and his associates in the cause list. 7-7.
Please, your lordship. With the consent of other side, I beg to mention item number 21 of today's list, lordship.
21.
Yes, lordship, I have
Yes.
some personal difficulties for lordship.
You are Mr.
M.K. Bora.
M.K. Bora, learned counsel. On the prayer, Mr. M.K. Bora, learned counsel for the prayer. List this matter after 4 weeks.
Lordship, interim order is there.
Interim order passed earlier and continue.
May I believe, your lordship? Lordship, with consent of other side, your lordship, I beg to mention item number 22, your lordship.
22.
Yes, lordship, that
Yes.
matter may be urgent, after, at least after 4.
Mr.
S.I. Akan.
S.I. Akan, learned counsel. On the prayer, Mr. S.I. Akan, learned counsel. List this matter after 4 weeks.
I'm so obliged.
Lordship, may I plead? Lordship, in item number 29,
Hmm.
it's an IA.
Hmm.
Lordship, I was directed to file an affidavit, but due to certain reason,
20?
29,
Huh.
Lordship. I was directed to file an affidavit, but due to certain reason, the petitioner, due to certain medical reason, they could not supply me the documents. So I'm unable to file the affidavit, so the matter may be adjourned for today.
Mr.
DJ Deka.
DJ Deka, learned counsel for the petitioner, pressed for and granted further 2 weeks times to file a record affidavit. List after 2 weeks.
After which,
Ah.
right.
Writ petition,
Yes, my lord. What happened in this case, my lord?
Mr. Kotoke,
Yes, my lord.
learned counsel for the petitioner. Submits that he has an instruction to withdraw his writ petition.
Because there was no surviving cause actually. What has happened, my lord? The
As,
third party has entered into the agreement, my lord.
as
So-
there is no surviving, no surviving cause remains. No cause remains to be adjudicated. This stuff. Accordingly, you are appearing.
Out of
Yes,
board,
lordship.
my lord, municipal board.
Lordship, I'm appearing for respondent 23
Ah,
on behalf of Mr. S. Datta.
and Andy
Lordship,
are present accordingly. The petition stands closed on withdrawal.
Only when liberty may be granted to approach the board, my lord.
It's okay.
So
Nobody,
for construction in my portion, my lord. Please,
with the liberty to approach the appropriate forum.
municipal board, my lord, Silchar municipal board,
We'll say appropriate forum,
appropriate for
appropriate authority.
authority, my for construction in my portion, my land.
Then you write there, no? Withdraw with the liberty to approach the appropriate authority, yeah? Then you say closed as, on withdrawal. With the liberty as.
Seeking
per-
permission for
as per-
construction, my.
Yes. I had to in view of that this point. Yes,
Yes.
Your lordship, conducting council is on the way, your lordship.
what is this?
Traffic is unable to reach, your
Huh?
lordship. Timing for the moment.
No, we'll issue notice. What's there? Huh?
I'm only preparing for timing, your lordship. The conducting council is on the way.
Heard so and so land counsel for the petitioner. This is an application under section 12 of the Contempt of the Courts Act 1970, read to the article 215 of the Constitution of India, alleging non-compliance of the order dated judgment and order of 24/07/2024 passed in WPC 5328 of 2023. Please stop. Issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. And counsel for the petitioner to take steps for service of notice upon alleged contempt number 1. No, you have to make party to respond number the 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2.
Your lordship,
It has to be by name.
your lordship, kindly repeat once, your lordship.
Yes, this alleged contempt number, respond number 1 and 2
Yes, your
is
lordship.
by the office only, not by name. You have to make them by name.
We'll do the necessary changes.
Then will not. So what will have?
Lordship, actually, the impugned order, which is of 24/7/2024,
Hmm.
had the exact name, and there was no by name parties. That
You have to find out. It's a contempt petition. You find out. What to do?
Your lordship, may kindly allow me to make changes in the current petition. or in
It
that case.
cannot be. You have to file application.
We'll file an amendment application in that case, your lordship.
Then delete it. And MS so and so land counsel for the petitioner is allowed, is permitted to file amended, permitted to file an application airing the alleged contempt number by name, alleged contempt number 1 and 2 by name. This after 3 weeks.
Wait, please, your lordship.
Yes.
See, my senior is on legs in another call.
Well, what is this? Is there any really violation?
Yes, lordship, there is a.
Heard
order
Mr. So and so, learn counsel for the petitioner, This is an application so and so, section 12 contempt will read with article 15. Alleging willful and deliberate violation of order dated 26/06/2025. Passed in WPC number 2568 of 2024. Issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. Then counsel for the petitioners to take steps for service of notice upon all the response, all the Alice containers by speed post, so and so, within 2 days from today. List after 4 weeks.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
Violation of this honorable court's order.
Will issue notice?
Yes.
Heard Mr. A.K. Land Council for the petitioner. Application so and so, huh? Issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. Land Council for the petitioners to take the state for service of petitioners, huh? The state for service of notice upon response number 1 and 2. And they call this containment number 1 and 2 by speed post so and so, huh? This after 4.
Deeply applied.
May I be the lordship?
Yes.
Petitioner is aggrieved by the cancellation of the fair price shop license, lordship.
Hmm.
But already in similar matter, lordship, notice has been issued and fixed the matter on 2nd of February.
Hmm.
My learned friend has
What is
appeared-
the cancellation?
Cancellation order, lordship, find that annexure 6, page 47,
Hmm.
22nd of
Heard
Got it.
Mr. Deka,
lordship. Lordship, may I pass the similar order?
A Deka, Land Council for the petitioner. Next para, challenge made in this writ petition is to the order dated 22/01/2024 passed by the District Commissioner Morigaon, whereby the PDS retail license issued to the petitioner
Petitioner, lordship.
Mujibur Rahman,
Yes, lordship.
petitioner for fair price shop dealer in the name of MS Lochana Bori GPSS has been cancelled, huh? Please issue notice returnable by 4 weeks, huh? What order paper?
Lordship, here lordship, same
Well,
40 is-
Notice issued fixed on 2nd of February.
Second of February.
Issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. You are appearing for
And
all,
for all my,
All the-
MS,
Addition.
you
you
thus London State Council enters appearance and accept notice on behalf of all the respondents. No permanent notice need be served, however, extra copies be furnished to so and so, so and so. List the matter along with
Along with lordship, WBC number
WBC
6963
6963
of 2025.
2025.
Obliged, lordship.
Five, my lord, here Mr. T.R. Gogo is appearing for respondents. Can it be passed over for the time being? my
What
lord?
is there?
Just-
It is, your lordship. I have a very limited prayer, your lordship. I am residing in a low income group flat, 1 bedroom flat. Your lordship.
You are supposed to file an additional affidavit.
Yeah, I have filed an additional affidavit, your lordship. The affidavit is filed, your lordship. On the last, I filed the affidavit, your lordship.
Why, what additional affidavit?
The
is required?
affidavit was respect to whether the Assam Housing, what is the procedure, your lordship?
Hmm.
I have filed the affidavit. There is a lottery. After this particular person files an application for the selection of the house, a lottery is conducted. My limited prayer, your lordship, in this case is, I am residing in a 1 bedroom flat, your lordship. I am praying that my
Well,
case.
consider issue notice,
My lord,
issue notice,
Yes, yes, yes.
that's all.
and T.R. Gogo's name may be, my lord,
Or-
reflected.
You inform me, we are not passing any order today, and we cannot pass.
He is on his way, so that's why I
It's okay, you inform him, we'll issue notice, that's all.
Fine.
Heard Mr. T. Land Council for the petitioner. By filing this application, the petitioner has prayed for a direction to the respondent authorities to allot
Allot, your lordship. There is a vacant flat, your lordship.
allot a residential, what? Allot?
The flat of,
Residential flat. Where it is,
Sanmari Housing.
in the Chanmari Housing Colony, Chanmari, Guwahati.
Yes.
What is your right?
That is why my respectful prayer to consider my case. Your
No, no, what is your right?
To your lordship, I am. My
If you
case-
don't have any right to claim for bigger plate,
No, your lordship, that is why my limited prayer, your lordship, just to
No,
consider
no.
my case.
huh?
Because there is a flat vacant, your lordship, and I'm praying that my case will be considered. That is my limited prayer. It's only my limited prayer for that.
What's there? No, what is your basis?
I'm living in.
Your claim, basis of claim.
Your lordship, I may be granted this, because my right under Article 21 is being violated, your lordship.
You have been provided with
Yes,
the,
yes, I
if
understand.
it is bigger,
Yes, your lordship. No,
everybody
it
would
is
like
only one
to.
bedroom, your lordship.
No, everybody would like to have that. That's why I'm asking, what is your right?
No, my condition.
What is your entitlement, right and entitlement for bigger flats?
That is my limit, that is my limited period also, to consider my case.
Huh?
May kindly consider. Only that representation may be disposed of, your lordship. I filed a representation at page 20, your lordship.
Where
That
it-
representation is not being disposed of.
You should,
only
ask
saying-
what is your entitlement
Your
for
lordship.
bigger flat?
On humanitarian ground, your lordship. That is all. And my representation may be disposed of, only that prayer, your lordship. They may consider, they may not consider. I have a very limited prayer, your lordship. It's a.
Yes, you
my
consider,
petition, your lordship.
consider and reject it.
He has reached, my lord. Let it be after 5 minutes, my lord. So that in his presence, my lord.
Hmm. Yes,
We got agreed by the furnishing of site visit certificate by the executive engineer.
hmm,
That what happened, my lord? Respondent number 2, my lord, published an NIT, my lord,
hmm,
for construction of roads and bridge projects under SOPDG, my lord.
yes,
Then, my lord, the petitioner, my lord, submit bids, my lord,
hmm,
without site visit certificate with verification. Because, my lord, he has done all formality, but the executive engineer, not, my lord, given certificate. My lord. That is, there is similar case, my lord, this honorable court ordered that without site visit certificate, his bid should not be rejected, my lord. 158, my lord, case. I have approached also executive engineer, but he did not give me, my lord.
150?
158, my lord.
159, if you want to do it. Move 159 there. Sorry.
And relevant portion is, my lord, from 160. May I read, my lord? Para 4 from para 4.
This is similar tender or what? Same tender?
Tender is
Okay,
different,
but tender is different.
Then,
but site verification is a mandatory condition so far as the tender document is concerned. Lord.
Yes, my lord.
hmm,
But only thing is that in this case, the concerned engineer is represented by the PTC authority, Lord.
hmm.
And for what reason he has not yet granted the, verification certificate, Lordship? I think that instruction will be necessary, I think. Plus it, ma'am. Submit
Therefore,
position.
yes,
Submit position.
we submitted our bid, my lord. Interim PR is that not rejected my bid till
Okay.
that is,
So don't reject.
yes, my lord. That is only.
Lordship, so far as this particular instruction is concerned, that will come from the PTC authority only, Lordship.
Yes, my lord. Till then, my lord, my bids should not be rejected as per this document also.
Opening demand.
Meaning tentative date is the 11th. That is only page 21. That is only tentative date. Till today, they have not opened.
So Lordship, wait for some time, Lordship, let the council from the BTC. let
Where he is?
APM, Lordship, I will inform him, Lordship. Let him come, Lordship.
If my lord,
Lordship,
that
there
in
may be
this
some
matter-
reasons, no, if no interim is issued, Lordship, then no objection, Lordship.
No, no.
Yes,
When-
yeah.
When is the technical opening of technical bid?
Yes, my lord, on 11, my lord, kindly page 21, my lord.
11?
11/12/2025.
It's
That is-
over now.
No, my lord, kindly see, my lord, on note, that is only tentative date, my lord.
Where it
Yes.
is?
Yes, page 21, my lord.
Ah. Opening of technical bid,
Yes, my lord.
11, 12, it's over.
Yes, my lord, kindly see note, my lord.
Hmm?
Below, my lord.
Hmm.
Column number 2, dates of serial number 9 and 10 in the above table are tentative, my lord.
Ah,
Till today, my lord, they have not opened or rejected my lord application. In similar way, my lord, 159, my lord, page number. This court, my lord, after tentative date also, my lord, over my lord's interim order given, my lord. Kindly see, my lord.
It's okay.
Yes, my lord.
Now, my only concern is, Lordship, if in the meantime, Lordship, tender has been opened and technical bit has.
Yeah, over telephone, you take the instruction.
Lordship, BTC I am not representing that.
Tell him.
Lordship,
take
I am
it.
informing him.
Inform him to.
So, 3 methods are there, Lordship. Lordship, I am informing him.
Why they have, there may be some reason, my lord, why they have not issued my site visit certificate.
There may be some
good
reasons also.
pressure.
Sir, we'll see, we'll see.
No, my lord, there may be some.
Suppose if it is, the technical bill is already open, so it's no use now.
No, my lord.
Interim order cannot
Still,
be passed.
no message was given. Generally, my lord, message was
Sir,
given.
we'll wait for,
Yes, sir.
we'll hear you.
Open also, there should be rejection. After opening also, there should be rejection. But message was not to forward me, my lord.
Just wait.
Till
For some time, Lordship. That's all.
next also same, my lord.
You just
Three
tell him
methods.
to have a.
Lordship, I am
tel-
informing, at the same
telephone.
time, I am also trying to have the information.
Yes,
After some time.
yes.
Lordship, kindly pass out a matter for time.
How can we pass over all the matters like this?
Lordship, the conducting council is on legs in another court, Lordship. The conducting council is on another court, Lordship.
Huh?
Only in the notice.
Lordship, after some time, Lordship.
Yes. Next.
For the timing.
Very difficult.
May I please, for the time being, my senior counsel, HRL Chaudhary will be appearing.
Applies.
May it please, my lord. My lord, my grievance is against the demarcation process, which is going to be conducted on the 23rd of this month, my lord.
So, let there be a demarcation.
So, my lord, right now, my lord, I'm a medical patient. I'm admitted in Guwahati Medical College and Hospital. The demarcation of the property will be taking place in Honitpur, my lord, that is Dhekiajuli. I will not be able to be physically present. In the
Why?
site.
Are you admitted in the
Yes,
hospital?
yes, my lord. My lord, may kindly have, my lord, pages, my lord.
Then when you can appear?
No, my lord, I cannot appear, my lord, physically because I am admitted, my lord, and on and off in Guwahati. only-
When? That cannot be
my
always.
lord, my lord, in January, later part of January, till then, because I'm suffering from heart problem, my lord.
Your son is there.
No, my lord, but I was privy to the agreement, my lord.
So
My
what?
son- My lord, I know the nitty-gritties, my lord. My son is not aware, my lord.
You appraise him.
My lord, it will be, my lord, there is some confusion, my lord. Would
You don't
kindly-
you don't believe your son or what?
My lord, I believe him, my lord, but
Then?
I know the nitty-gritties.
How old he is? Your
My lord-
son?
My lord, he's a major, my lord, but
Major, how old?
my lord, he's 40 plus, my lord.
40
That is
plus
the-
enough.
My lord, may kindly appreciate one point, my lord. My lord, I am a heart patient, my lord.
I understand, but then it cannot be all time.
My lord, just one chance, my lord. Stay of the impugned order for the time being, my lord, next month.
I have an objection, my lord, there is no, my lord, there cannot be passed any stay order regarding that matter. Only his objection, my lord, how can we pass a stay order?
My lord, we want to take part.
We want to, my lord, only the demarcation of the, some portion, my lord.
My lord, I want to take part in the demarcation. It is not like I don't want to. I am just asking. for
You
some
file,
time.
you approach the authority.
My lord, we have already approached. My lord would kindly have, my lord, page 47 for a moment, my lord.
Yes, that was extended.
My lord, that was extended. Thereafter also, my lord would kindly have page 52 for a moment, my lord.
Ah.
The 52 for a moment, my lord. Please, my lord.
Yes.
May I read, my lord? My lord, this is the circle officer Dhekiajuli. It is the fourth notice issued for the case. Please ask any authorized person to attend on the day fixed. Otherwise, would be done ex parte.
Yes.
They are themselves
It's
saying. it will
fourth
be
time,
done ex
fourth
parte.
time.
My lord, authorized person also has.
It's a fourth notice.
My lord, may I kindly submit here, my lord. Please, my lord, 1 minute.
When is it supposed to be?
My lord would kindly have the next page, my lord, 53, my lord.
Hmm.
53 also, my lord, I've sent him my photo, my lord. I'm a 69-year-old heart patient, my lord. I'm not in a position to attend the demarcation process. I'm just asking for some time. I will attend it, my lord. Next month, any date, my lord. Yes, my lord, this date, not this date, my lord. This 23rd kindly, my lord. Only one date, my lord. He's well aware that I am a medical patient. I am in GMCH. I'm not even there in Dhekiajuli, where the demarcation will take place, my lord. Only I have knowledge regarding the actual demarcation which is going to take place, because I was privy to the agreement, my lord, between me and the pro forma respondent 5, my lord. Kindly, my lord.
When it is 23rd?
23rd will take place, my lord. Next month.
Yes, what to do?
It seems, my lord, this kind of pending before, my lord, there are sort of from the October month, lord, to be. From 27/10, my lord, it was pending, lord.
You do it after 15 days,
Yes, your lordship.
15
Because
days.
His
Huh?
person is in hospital.
I'm admitted, my lord.
After 15 days, huh?
My lord, a later part of January. If
No, 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 it's not on your choice.
Yes,
This is
my
a
lord.
fourth notice. 15 days, 15 days.
My lord, my lord, my lord.
Heard, Mr.
P.R. Sharma.
P.R. Sharma,
P.R.
the
Sharma.
learned counsel for the petitioner, and Miss M.S.
And Bordoloi,
and Bordolo,
SC
learned
Revenue.
standing counsel,
SC Revenue for responding
SC
to
learned counsel, standing counsel for revenue department,
I'm for 1, 3, and 4, lord.
as well as Mr. Then you write, J. Henry Glenn State Council for respondent number 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2,
3 and 4.
1, 3, and 4. And MS Bordele for standing for respondent number 2, revenue, huh? Department. Where is the notice?
My lord would kindly have page 49, my lord.
Hmm.
Review notice, my lord.
49.
9, my lord, 9.
By filing this application, the petitioner has put to challenge the notice dated 08/12/2025 passed by the
Circle
Circle Officer Dhekiajuli Revenue Circle, whereby the petitioner has been directed to, the petitioner has been informed to allow authorized person to remain at the site for demarcation, for measurement of the demarcation of what land
My lord, this is a, my lord,
in respect of
Patta land, my lord, KP Patta
in
number.
respect of
Schedule A
AP
property.
Patta number 92, dag number 353, measuring 1 biga 03 kata 06 lechas, 01 biga, situated at Dhekiajuli Moja, Botpara Revenue Village. Christoph. The petitioner claims to be admitted. No, please stop. The petitioner entered into an agreement for sale of the portion of land land at Dekejuli Moja Botpara Revenue Village covered by KP Patta number 92. Same, huh? Dag number 353. This is page 49, huh? with 1 Sri. One Srimati Celesti Agarwala. Respond number 5, huh? Respond number 5, here it. And accordingly sold 1 kata. One kata each in the front and back side of the said land. Next para. The circle officer, the Kejudi, issued notices on 27/10/2025, 28/11/2025 to the petitioner directing him to remain present for demarcation of the measurement of the said land. List of next paragraph. It is the claim of the petitioner that he is admitted, he is undergoing treatment of his ailment at Guwahati Medical College and Hospital, Guwahati, and is admitted, undergoing treatment and admitted at Guwahati Medical College and Hospital, Guwahati. List of, on receipt of the applications, the notices issued by the petitioner, issued by the circle officer, the Kejuli, the petitioner has approached the said circle officer for granting sometime for fixing the date of to defer the date of demarcation process in view of the medical treatment which he's undergoing. In view of the medical treatment, list of the petitioner, the circle officer has deferred the said they had acceded to the request of the petitioner. However, considering that the notices had been issued for the 4th time, by an impugn order, impugn notice dated 08/12/2025 has informed the petitioner he should inform the petitioner the demarcation shall be taken up by rescheduling the same on 23/12/2025 at 11 AM. And directed to directed to be present for the said verification with the authorized person, else same shall be carried out. Expert list of next paragraph. The Mr. So and so learned counsel for the petitioner fairly submits that the prayer of the petitioner is very limited and simple to the effect that he be given sometime by deferring the date of demarcation from 23/12/2025 to some other appropriate date, so that the petitioner can be present in the demarcation process as
Okay, so itu saya, pedibit itu saya.
no one would be able to no one would be able to
Itu sudah lalu.
represent him in view of the
Father,
issues, in view of the land, in view of the issues involved in the over the land. Next paragraph. Mr. J. Hendy, London State Council and MS. M. Bordaloy, N. Bordaloy, London Standing Council, Revenue Department. Oppose the prayer as the circle officer has issued many notices fixing the date for the demarcation, and but on the request of the petitioner, several occasions. No, the proposed demarcation has been on several occasions. List of the impede order being the fourth notice, the petitioner should authorize a person to represent him as the matter required proper demarcation from the land. Which is unnecessarily pending for so many days at the request of the petitioner. Next page. Ordinarily, this code, next page, would not have ordinarily, no cause is ordinarily, this code would not have interfered with the process for demarcation of the land proposed to be carried out by the respondent authorities, as it would resolve the disputes, if any, with with all the stakeholders over the land. However, considering the limited prayer and of the land council for the petitioner, and considering that the petitioner is undergoing medical treatment and admitted at Guwahati Medical Hospital, I would, this court deem it appropriate to dispose of it, dispose of the writ petition with the direction to the petitioner to participate in the demarcation process in person, if not by an authorized representative, within a period of after 15 days. Accordingly, the respondent authorities are directed to fix the date of, reschedule the date of demarcation of the site of so and so land. After 15 days, after 15 days from today, list of the petitioner to participate, if not, may authorize may authorize a person to represent him. Else, the respondent is to carry out the process of demarcation of the said land after 15 days.
Pleasure, sure.
The needless to observe that the circle officer, they casually to issue notice rescheduling the particular date for said demarcation. After 15 days,
The concerned person.
to the petitioner, you will be given notice.
Pleasure.
Petition instance disposal.
Sorry, Lordship.
Yes. You consider his prayer and reject it. Yes. And Mr. T. Devi, Land Counsel for the petitioner. And Mr.
Here, Gogoi, Lordship.
Here, Gogoi.
Respondent number
you just-
20.
No, before after that thing, no, and still, after the challenge and all that thing, in last case, para 3 users, in view of the, considering the limited prayer and the nature of the issue involved in this writ petition, and as agreed to by learned counsel for the parties, the writ petition is disposed of at the motion stage. You just said. This also you. Yes. And Mr. S.R. Borua.
For respondent number 1.
Why S.R. Borua?
T.R. Gogoi, Lordship.
T.R. Gogoi for?
Respondent number 2 and 3.
I will dispose of the matter.
Lordship.
Normally he may not have this thing. The petitioner claims to be residing along with his old ailing parents. And residing with his family consisting of wife, 2 minor children, and his old ailing parents. Has filed this application seeking a direction to consider, seeking direction to the, which one? Which respondent?
Respondent number
Two and three,
two
Lordship.
and three, your lordship.
Seeking a direction to the respondents. Assam State Housing Board,
Lordship.
to consider to allot what is a flat number MIG 2
Yes, sir.
-1 2-bedroom located at Chanmari Housing Colony, Chanmari, Guwahati. List of considering the limited period, so and so. The petitioner, you have been allotted,
Yes, your lordship, I have been allotted. One bedroom
has
flat, your
been
lordship.
allotted a residential flat
Flat, your lordship, LIG flat.
number C of 2003, C/203. The housing, Chanmari Housing Colony, Chanmari, Guwahati. List of, he is working as LDA in the office of the Advocate General,
Yes, your lordship.
Assam, London Advocate General, Assam. And which is presently attached with the office of the Senior Government Advocate, Assam, in the Guwahati High Court. List of the it is the contention of the petitioner that the flat number C/203 allotted to the under rental housing scheme at the Chanmari Housing Colony is not sufficient, which is consists of 1 BHK, is not sufficient for his family. And the sufficient for his family, for which the family members, including his ailing parents, are facing huge hardship. List of the authority in the housing, Assam State Housing Board may be directed to may allot a bigger flat consisting of at least 2 bedroom in the said housing colony, as there are sufficient vacant 2-bedroom flats. List of the petitioner has approached the Assam State Housing Board for consideration with his case for allotment of a bigger flat, as there are available bigger flats. However, same has not been considered agent today. Next para. Mr. T. Dere, learned counsel for the petitioner, fairly submits that the petitioner may not have any indefeasible right to claim for bigger flat in the state housing society. However, considering the plight P of the petitioner, the respondent may be directed to consider the case of the petitioner for allotment of bigger house, at least bigger flat consisting of at least 2 bedroom, sympathetically, list as the, no, Mr. The Mr. So-and-so, both of you, learned counsel for the respondents. I've also fairly submitted that the authority may be directed to consider the case of the petitioner if at all is possible to accommodate lots without there being without no but although the petitioner would not petitioner has no right and entitlement for such allotment of bigger part. Next paragraph. Having considered the limited prayer of learned counsel for the petitioner for consideration of the case of the petitioner and also and as agreed to by learned counsel for the respondents only for consideration of the case of the petitioner. Come on. I deem it appropriate to dispose of this writ petition. The direction to the respondent number 2, State, Assam State Housing Board.
2 and 3, Lord.
And the commissioner. And the respondent number 2, namely so and so, to consider the case of the petitioner. For allotment of a bigger plate.
Availability.
No, bigger plate. Well, I said consider. Listen. Accordingly, this is with the direction to the respondent number 2 so and so to consider the case of the petitioner within a period of 2 months from today. 2 months.
Lords.
2 months from today. Listen, it is made clear that the direction shall not be construed as a mandamus for allotment of the same land as the petitioner appears to have no indefeasible right to claim for a bigger flat.
There, Lordship.
Very grateful, Your Lordship.
Lordship, there are some guideline as per the
That's why
direction of the High Court.
in accordance with the applicable
As per
guidelines.
as per the terms and condition of the Assam Act and rule of the Assam State.
In applicable rules and oblique rules and guidelines.
Lordship.
Applicable rules and guidelines.
Lordship.
We have made it clear, it is not a mandamus.
Yes, sir. Very grateful, Your Lordship.
Obliged, Lordship.
This person is stands disposal.
Okay, madam, but I was called, I was the other court point.
Yes.
This is a case, madam, the petitioner is raising their Miadi Patta land, having their house, family, etc. Now, your lordship, your kindly see notice, page 20, 20, madam. About, contact, let me see, madam, page 20. It was.
Hilaluddin. Yes.
Yes, I am Hilaluddin, madam. It was notified to the public by order dated so and so. That was translated copy, madam. Is there now. That the stopping the flow of the water naturally passing through the government of Miadi land is an offence as per law rule. This notification was issued under section 30 of the Disaster So and so Management Act. Furthermore, illegal occupation of government naturally martial land, that is Yatok land of the digging ponds, fisheries, constructing bonds thereof is also an offence. In this connection, you are hereby informed that you have illegally dug ponds, fisheries by encroaching government Miadi martial land at so and so bill nearby the places under the revenue village of Geraka bill. You have stopped the natural flow of water by constructing ponds, digging pond fisheries, and installing culvert and other things on government Miyadi land at various places and so and so be. And consequently, the natural flow movement of water has stopped, which has caused damage to the villages of all the villages of the locality. Therefore, eviction will be done from 19th December 25 at Garaka Bill and its adjoining places to restore the bill and the stream tributary through which water passes. Objection in this regard can be raised in writing in the office of the circle officer.
Have you raised the objection?
I filed the objection.
And we'll consider them to
Yes,
your
now what
objection.
happened, my lord? I am not on that line, my lord. I am also in the Miyadi land. I am also affected.
No, that will be considered.
So now they are threatening to evict me, but your lordship will protect me, my lord. You will let them do it, my lord. I am living in my house, my lord, with my family since 94.
Miyadi land, my lord, it cannot be done, lordship. The eviction
No,
cannot
we
be
have not done anything, my lord. We are living there in.
Sir, how do you know? This is by
We
the
have taken it on
circle
board.
officer who is on the
My
ground.
lord, page 24, your
Clearly directed, should this saying that you have illegally dug ponds and fisheries.
nothing, my lord, nothing.
How do you know? That's why they will consider it.
They will consider, but
Consider your objection, that's all.
yes, page
We'll
20
direct them to consider your objection.
page 24, your lordship, page
Yes.
24. In response to that notice, I have given this file, your lordship.
Hmm.
9/12/25.
This is your reply.
In my reply,
Objection.
I so and so, so and so, so and so.
So we'll direct them to consider this.
This.
Till it is considered.
This annexure 5, lordship.
Till it is considered, we'll consider it, direct them to consider within 10 days.
Lordship.
Till it is considered, don't evict him.
Yes, ma'am.
My lord,
It will
from
be
the
better.
Miyadi land, my lord, it cannot be evicted, my lord. Only, my lord, because of, my lord, that water body is there, my lord, they are blocking that.
Let them
lordship.
demarcate, my lord. I am also no objection.
Only
Let them-
because of that, my lord, this notice was issued.
Then say that the issue, eviction will be done from 19,
Yes.
page
Lordship,
21.
lordship may kindly see the second para, lordship.
Yes, I have seen it. That's why you have given them an opportunity to raise
Yes,
the objection.
lordship.
We
So
have
he has
submitted.
filed an objection.
Lordship.
Will direct you to consider within 10 days. Till such time, don't
Yes, sir.
take any coercive action.
My lord, only for that petition of the Miyadi's land, and others, government land, you can go.
Yes, yes, no problem, madam.
We are not going into all this.
We are patta number, that
But you have
number.
raised a very unnecessary serious question.
Now I am having patta numbers, dag number, everything is there, madam. Let them demarcate, my lord. No problem.
The westland, my lord, they were blocked, lord, only because of that, my lord, this notice.
Whether
was
we have blocked or not, there is a question of fact, my lord, they will have to assert in, my lord.
Heard, mister, we'll dispose of.
issued.
Only time, my lord, because in the
10
meantime,
days, 10 days.
in the meantime, court is closed. Suppose for example,
We'll say 10 days.
uh,
They'll decide your objection.
my lord, 15 days,
Till-
at least
till
my
the-
lord, court will be
Till
open.
this, within 10 days, no coercive action shall be
Lordship, Lordship.
taken against you. That's all. Thereafter, they decide and they may evict you.
I leave to your lordship.
Heard Mr. H.R.A. Chaudhary, learned senior counsel assisted by M.S. Learned counsel for the petitioner. By filing this petition, the petitioner has put to challenge the
Page 20, two.
notice dated 03/12/2025 passed by the circle officer Dhing, D-H-I-N-D, Dhing Revenue Circle, Nagaon, Assam, whereby the petitioner, whereby having found that the petitioner has illegally dug DUG, ponds oblique fisheries by encroaching government oblique Mayadi marshlands at Geror County Bill in nearby places under the revenue village of Geror County Bill as decided to carry out evictions with effect from 19/12/2025. And the objection has been sought by providing an objection, by providing a chance to file an objection or to raise an objection to the petitioner in writing to be submitted on 09/12/2025. Next paragraph. The petitioner. No, before that you write, having considered the issue involved, having considered the nature of the case in this proceedings, and has agreed to be learned counsel for the petitioner, same is taken up and disposed of at the motion stage itself, huh? At the motion stage itself. At the motion stage, please stop, huh? Then you write. The petitioner claims that the father, his father was the owner and possessor of the land measuring 3 katas under patta number 278, dag number 222 at Ding Revenue Circle, Moja Ding, in the district of Nova. By way of inheritance. On the death of his father, the petitioner, being the son and the legal heir is in possession, in the peaceful possession of the said land by way of inheritance along with his family members. It is the case of the petitioner that since the petitioner is residing in the said plot of land, near the Gerekoni Bill, the respondent with a view to preserve the bill, B-E-L, bill, B-E-E-L, bill. Initiated an action against those persons who have encroached illegally by digging fisheries and ponds. However, the responsible authorities, on presumption that the petitioner is also one of the encroacher and illegally dug the ponds and fisheries, resulted in obstructing the free flow of the water, wrongly issued the notice, the impute notice dated 13/12/2025 to the petitioner, illegally holding that the petitioner has not illegal, by holding that the petitioner is illegally, has illegally dug pond and fisheries in the Gerekoni Bill, for which the eviction drive shall be carried out with effect from 19/12/25. Mr. Next paragraph. Mr. HR Chaudhary, the senior counsel for the petitioner, submits that the petitioner is in the peaceful possession
In
of
Myadi
the state
Patta land.
said Mayadi Patta land by way of inheritance from his father since many years,
Yes, madam.
many years.
The
Mr.
2005 we have constructed house.
He,
We are living
by-
1974, madam.
and since many years, and the residential house was constructed in the year 2005. Mr. The petitioner had not dug any
We are
fault
paying revenue also, madam.
by paying revenue
We have annexed the payment.
and the list of, the petitioner has not dug any ponds,
Yes.
public fisheries, which
Rather, there is a culvert we have opened.
may have caused obstruction to the free flow of the water. This stuff. He submits that pursuant to the impute notice dated 13 so and so, huh? Page 20, huh? 03/12/2025. The petitioner has submitted the objection, placing all the required documents for the consideration, as he is a legally validly possessing the Mayadi land.
Without any obstruction to water
However,
flow.
no consideration has been, however, same has not been considered. Mr. Therefore, apprehends that the petitioner would be illegally evicted without considering the genuine claim of the petitioner by the respondents, and as such seeks interference of the impugn notice that is 03/12/2025. Next paragraph. Mr. J. Hendrick, Learned State Council, were referring to the notice, impugn notice.
Page 20, Lord.
Yes, submits that the petitioner is found to be indulged in illegal digging of ponds, fisheries by encroaching the government Mayadi land at Gerard County Bill and nearby places, which has obstruct the natural flow of the water of the bill. Which has caused damage to the villages in the locality. Therefore, the local officer, being Revenue Circle, has legally issued the notice notice for eviction, which shall be carried out with effect from 19/12/2025 by providing an opportunity to the petitioner to raise an objection, if any. This stuff. Next paragraph. I've considered the submissions of land council for the parties also. Land council for parties, huh? Next paragraph. The if you notice that it's so and so indicates
Lordship,
that
and
a public notice was issued on 12/06/2023 by the District Magistrate Nagaon by reflecting that the obstruction of the stopping of the natural flow of water passing through any government or Mayadi land is an offense under the Disaster Management Act 2005. Also notified that illegal occupation of government natural marshland or digging ponds, oblique fisheries and obstructing bunds thereon is also an offense list of. The the circle officer having found that the petitioner is also involved in illegal digging of ponds and fisheries over the government of Mayadi land at Gerer Koni Bill, which has obstructed the natural flow of water and caused damages to the villages of the locality, has issued, has decided to carry out eviction with effect from 19/12/2025 by providing an opportunity to raise the objection to the petitioner. List of next para. It is noticed that the petitioner appears to have submitted his objection
page 24. Lordship.
on 09/12/2025. Stating that the Mayadi Patta in respect of the land in question was issued in favor of the petitioner in the 1974 and has been residing on the said land by constructing residential house. And also that the flow of water of Gero Koni Bill does not make any impact on the land of the petitioner. And the water passes to the field through the designated culvert on the road. As it is stated at the bar that the circle officer, Dihing Revenue Circle, Nagaon, is yet to consider the objection raised by written objection raised by the petitioner agent at Listov. Having considered that the circle officer has found, has issued the avian notice to carry out eviction with effect from 19/12/2025 by providing an opportunity to the petitioner to raise objections, if any, and consequent to which the petitioner
All
appears
documents,
to
those
have
submit all
filed
documents
his
also.
objection along with the documents on 09/12/2025 above the considered view that the said objection the petitioner as directed by the circle officer, the revenue circle, request to be considered in accordance with the law. Mr. Accordingly, it would serve the interest of justice if the state petition is disposed of with a direction to the. No, not according, Mr. Accordingly, you delete accordingly, you delete the accordingly. It would serve the interest of justice if the responding authorities, particularly revenue, circle officer, being revenue circle, directed to dispose of the objection filed by the petitioner within a time frame. Circle objection filed by the petitioner within a time frame. Then you said accordingly. It is directed that the circle officer, being revenue circle, ding revenue circle, shall consider the objection dated 09/12/2025 filed by the petitioner within a period of 10 days from today. From today.
From the date of the receipt of the order. Yes.
No, from today.
We have to get, if you lost, we get certified.
We'll private him in a copy.
If you get certified for today, my lord, certainly.
You'll get it.
For respondent 1 year.
You record her name in the initials, on top, initial. Record her name also. I have not completed this. What is the last line? No. In accordance with law, within a period of 10 days from today, it is provided that within these 10 days, no coercive action shall be taken against the petitioner.
Obliged.
Let petition stand disposed of.
Obliged.
May I please your lordship, my lord, I am sorry, it was called earlier, I was on lag. In similar matter, it was listed before the Honor Court number 5. That matter was fixed on 7th.
Where you were?
Lordships.
Where you were
I
earlier?
was on lag in court number 5.
Normally, if not on leg, what do you do?
No, that's, first it was called lordship.
If not on leg, on legs, normally what do you do and where do you stand?
That my lord, because of the submitting similar matter, and it was fixed on 7th of January. In the meantime, respondent directed to take instruction in respect of my representations, and till then status quo shall be maintained. The
What?
National Highway Authority issued notices to us to deliver the possession of the land and the structure.
You start from the beginning. I'm not getting any head of
Lordship.
tail.
Lordship, the respondent authority issued notification for acquire the land for construction widening of the national highways of NH 37. and
Your land has been acquired.
Our lands and structures. Over the land, my structures are there. they have not made any assessment regarding Jirat value. That's why I agreed,
Yes.
filed this petition without assessing my Jirat value. They are contemplating to demolish my shop's house and given notice to us, all the petitioners, to deliver within 3 days. We submitted representations, but that was also not taken consideration, holding that we have constructed our shops after issuance of notifications. That is my case. But our case is that we have constructed.
How
prior
do
to
we
that,
decide whether it is
We
after
have-
or before?
Before.
How do we decide
Lordship,
whether it's after or before?
it was
When they
before,
say that it is after, then
but I have submitted documents regarding paying taxes, electricity bill.
It's
to the
okay.
Custom Authority.
we understand, but we
Yes.
cannot decide whether you have constructed the shop after
No,
or
no,
before the
That's
notification.
why the competent authority, the deputy
So
commissioner.
then this court will not go into.
No, Lordship,
Dismissed.
that's why similar case.
Dismissed.
Lordship, similar case already been fixed on 7th of January.
Then we'll
That-
say so. Heard
it-
Mr.
check
Mr.
with-
F.U. Burbuya, Learned
check-
Counsel for the petitioner,
with
who
this
submits that
petition.
matter may be listed along with
7231.
7231 of 2025.
2025.
That's all.
On 7th January.
Ah,
7-2.
WPC number.
WBC 7231.
yes.
Till then, Lordship, that direction.
No, no, we are not passing, we are not, you
that-
said it's listed along with that
but-
petition.
That's coordinate branch Lordship director. Status quo shall be maintained in respect of structure of the petition.
I am not inclined.
Lordship, since being officers of the
We
court.
are
Lordship,
listing it along with that, wherever
Lordship,
the
in the
status is
meantime,
there.
Lordship, that's why, Lordship, that's case, that direction is there, Lordship.
So it's not bound,
No, Lordship, since I appeared and.
it's
court
not
passed
binding on me.
Lordship,
We'll decide case to case basis.
Similar case.
No,
exactly
no,
same-
I'm not convinced that whether you have constructed, and we are not going to decide whether you have constructed the shop before the issuance or after.
That will
It is
decide-
not our job.
Lordship, that will.
Therefore, once they said, we presume that it is,
That's
you
why-
have decided, you have constructed after the
That's why deputy
notification.
commissioner is the competent authority, Kala Lordship.
So we cannot decide.
Lo-
Therefore, no
Direction.
no interim.
As per National Highway Act Lordship, since 3G2 Lordship. That's why. All right, Lordship, fixing the matter on 7th of January,
Ah.
I oblige. Lordship.
Okay.
25. 25, no?
Oblige.
Happy?
Lordship
Happy?
passing, I am happy. Nischay.
Huh?
Certainly, I am happy, Lordship. pass
You are
matter.
happy? Happy?
Lordship
You
pass
said
matter.
it's a similar matter is fixed on 7th, we'll
Yes,
list
sir.
along
Till
with
then,
that. We'll
no-
consider that.
That's,
Okay, thank
that-
you.
that's observation may be made till then, Lordship. That's case, Lordship.
Huh?
Honorable Court directed. Status quo shall be maintained in respect of the land in question, since the notice issued to us, Lordship, with that number.
Then we'll consider it. We'll consider and dispose of the
I-
matter.
going to-
We'll consider the case and dispose of the matter. Holding that the writ petition is not maintainable.
Lordship, attack with Ellen that matter.
Then,
That pass. Oblige, I am.
in that case, huh?
48.
May it please your lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, the petitioner's hearing, where the inhabitants of Rangmai forest range, as they have alleged, your lordship.
Yes.
They have been living here since the last 4 decades, your lordship.
Maybe, but it's
But
within forest land.
Yes, your lordship. Now this says that it is forest land. but
Then
the-
matter ends there. If
No,
it's a forest land,
Yes, your lordship.
no
they-
matter 100 years,
They are evicted.
we cannot interfere.
Now in blatant
They have been,
violation- Yes,
they have been evicted.
Your Lordship. Now I'm
Okay,
praying
so we'll
for-
issue notice only.
Now I'm praying for rehabilitation, your lordship.
No, we'll issue
Your
notice.
lordship,
You are seeking rehabilitation.
Some other thing also, your lordship.
You are
are
seeking
not-
rehabilitation.
Yes, your lordship. We
So
are,
you have already been evicted.
yes, your.
Yes, okay.
Your lordship, but it is.
So
in
today we'll
blatant-
issue notice.
Yes, your lordship.
We're not going to
Information.
pass any,
Your lordship, we are not allowed to lift our ration, your lordship. Our ration.
we're
other
not saying
previous-
anything today. You are encroacher, you are,
Your lordship, other encroachers are allowed to stay here, your
Well,
lordship.
no, you have raised a very serious, I mean,
Very serious allegations of.
very sensitive and very serious allegation.
fact, my lord,
Are you sure?
Yes, your lordship.
Are you sure?
It's the photographs, your lordship.
See, are you sure?
Your lordship, I have.
How
everything.
do photographs, how do you identify?
Your
This
lordship,
is from other faith and this is from this faith and that faith.
that's why, your lordship, I have
See,
preferred
be
independent
care,
inquiry.
sir, be careful.
Lordship.
These are the sensitive issue. I mean, this allegation
Yes, my lords.
cannot be made in this fashion. You know, the whole country burns because of all these things. Right? I don't have to tell you.
Your lordship, but
It's a,
your lordship, one thing is that they say is it is a forest, but it has been governed.
it's all right, it's all right, but the allegation you have made in this petition is very, very, I mean,
Serious, my lord.
very serious and it cannot be.
Some materials.
You being, do we, all of us a citizen of the country, we should protect the country. Why to raise all this thing? Because of this only, all country burns.
My lord, in fact, this issue
Your lordship,
was brought to the.
Please, today I'm not
Similar-
commenting more than this.
Yes, lord.
I'm just indicating, think about it.
Your lordship,
Just
similar
don't,
petition was
don't-
filed, your lordship.
it's all right.
Your
I'm
lordship,
just indicating.
lordship, I understand, your lordship.
Think about it.
Lordship,
Today we'll just issue notice.
lordship.
Nothing. All right. But think about the allegation you have made. The way you have made the allegation. It's not you think and I mean your client asking to have this allegation. This is very dangerous, I mean, kind of thing. Not only serious. It's led to very dangerous. May lead to very dangerous
Your
situation
lordship,
also.
these allegations are not made in the open or in the public, your lordship. It has been made before this court of
It's
law.
all right. It's a
Your lordship,
this
the other thing, if it's
see,
true,
where
that is also a dangerous precedent that has been created by the
we're
responsible
open to public.
lordship. Lordship.
Of course, personally, I don't realize that we're on live streaming.
Lordship.
But we cannot. There's no question of how can this petition is filed in the court and it will not be. People will not know. It's become a public documents.
Lordship.
Are you getting me? What I'm trying to
I'm getting you, lordship.
indicate?
Your lordship, similar petition was filed before this court and it has been numbered as 5522 and there also notice was issued, your lordship.
Had Mister,
I'm saying, your lordship.
think about it.
Boro,
Learned counsel for the petitioners.
Lordship.
Agreed by the eviction, huh?
Lordship.
Eviction from the land which falls under the Rengmai Forest Range.
Lordship.
My lord, it's Rengma Forest Reserve.
Rengma or Rengmai?
Rengma, my lord.
Rengma or Rengmai?
Rengma.
Rengma. RENGMA.
M.
Rengma Forest Range. Where it is?
Your lordship, it's
So where is situated? It's which place?
Purupothar,
It's in district of Golaghat.
In the district of Golaghat.
Golaghat.
Huh. Come on, the petitioners have filed this petition. They have jointly filed this petition seeking rehabilitation. Then what?
your lordship, your ration, your lordship.
Huh?
They have not allowed us to lift our ration also that we get under PDS, your lordship, public distribution scheme, your lordship.
And also, what I said, for seeking adequate compensation, including and rehabilitation. This stuff, the petitioner has also, and petitioners have also alleged that they have not been allowed to, what else, lift their, what is this? Yes, you are alleging they have not allowed, you have not been allowed to lift the
Rations, your lordship.
rations, alleged that the respondents have also not allowed them to lift their rations, which has caused immense hardship to the petitioner. not only to the, not with the family, including women and children. This issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. As Mr.
Minus for forest, minus.
Your Lordship, there are other vital things, Your Lordship, which I read, Your Lordship. Now, there is an attempt to delete our name from the electoral roll, Your Lordship. No, that cannot be. Without providing, without telling us, they can be done. Yeah, just wait. As Mr. Who is for one?
I am for my lords.
The J. Hendrik Learned Standing Council, and all of them,
I'm for two.
Mr. D. Gogoi,
Two.
Learned Standing Council, Forest Department,
Two and
then
eight. Two and
N. Bordoloi, Standing Council, Revenue,
For 3 years, actually.
and
Yeah, Ali, no.
A. Ali,
Election commission.
is an election commission, yeah,
4 and 5.
4 and 5. No, appears for all the respondents, formal notice made this up. Our exec office will furnish to the land council for the respondents. We'll add one more thing. Here's allegation is there. The further, initial, first para. You said the petitioner had also alleges that the name of the petitioners, the name of the petitioners, the respondents are also contemplating to delete their names from the voter list. Allegation. So far as the other fate, you think about it. File an amendment. All right. Yes, I've said so. You furnish during the course of the day or 2 days, within 2 days. Within 2 days, huh? Furnish. Forty-eight or going? 48? Oh, well, yeah, too. Are you sure? Okay. Yes, yes.
Lordship, petitioning before the honorable court is assailed the order passed by the respondent authorities for reassessment of the for reassessment pursuant to the order passed by this honorable court in writ petition WPC 4120.
Where's the order you are challenging? Which
I'm
order you are challenging?
I'm challenging
Impugn order?
Annexure number, annexure number 7, Lordship. Page number 45.
45.
Assessment which was done.
Appeal was filed against this also.
Yes.
This is the,
This SDSS.
revised assessment.
Yes, it was done pursuant to the order passed by this honorable court. So I
Heard
am-
Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner. Challenge made in this writ petition is to the order dated, the communication,
Communication. Assessment bill dated 3/7/25.
communication oblique assessment bill dated 03/07/2025. Passed by the area manager, IRCA, dash, Roman 2, Jalukbari, Weber. A revised assessment bill in terms of clause 5 dot capital A dot 4 capital 4 please the 4 of the electricity code amounting to rupees 1481957, page 7, page 45, Arup 45, you just check the thing. Amount and all, And to after the adjustment of the already deposited amount and directed the petitioner to pay the said SS. No. Next paragraph. It is the contention of the petition, land counsel for the petitioner that the respondent authorities have made a revised assessment contrary to the direction of this court.
Yes, contrary to direction. they
Contrary
did
in this court, in direction of this court, by the order dated
Order dated, known as, page number 39, 6/5/2025.
6/5/2025 in
Writ petition number 4120 of 2017.
W5 WPC
4120.
4102 of
no,
2017.
20 of
4102.
4120. Page number 38.
4120 of 2017, right?
Yes, sir.
Next para. Issue notice
State-
returnable at 4 weeks. Huh? Who is appearing?
APDCL also. Standing council APDCL. Standing council APDCL.
Then you have to take steps.
I have already served a copy yesterday to the APDCL. Their name is also, it's reflected in the cost list. None appears.
No, none appears dispatched service of notice upon the standing council for APDCL, respondent APDCL, huh? Returnable 4 weeks. We'll consider on the returnable.
So, no adverse action should be taken. That's all. Pursuant to other, because Lordship, Annexure 14, they have sent us a demand again
Huh?
to make payment. Annexure 14, page 57.
Page 57.
57.
Obviously, they will,
Yes.
demand will be made.
Yes, Lordship.
57, yes.
In
You are
this-
challenging this also,
Yes, we are challenging this also.
huh?
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, basically, they are not calculating the the deduction which should-
The interim prayer shall be considered on the next returnable date, on the returnable date, huh? Till such time, considering that shall be considered, huh? On the next date, on the returnable date, sorry. Till such time, no coercive action shall be taken against the petition.
Not problem.
Two, my lord, petitioner number 2 is the present PDS license holder. Pursuant to his election as ward member of the Gaon Panchayat, the respondent number 5, with the instruction of the.
What is the impugn order?
Impugn order, Lordship, kindly say page 14, Annex 2.
Cancellation or
No, my lord, this is not 14. Impugn order is page 21. Page 21. Annex, my lord, 6.
yes,
Respondent numbers, in my place, respondent number 7 was issued license in favor of the respondent number 7.
huh?
In my place, PDS license was issued in favor of the respondent number 7. What happened in this case, my lord, pursuant to my election as a ward member of the Gaon Panchayat, the respondent number 5 has instructed me to surrender my license, PDS license, because there is according to him, there is a provision for, my lord, cancellation of license if someone is elected as a Gaon Panchayat ward member.
Yes.
That is not correct. As of now, I have seen, my lord, in the Assam Panchayat, there is no provision as such. my
No,
lord.
no, wrongly or rightly you have surrendered.
Yes.
You have
Then, my
surrendered.
lord, then, my lord,
Who is expecting? You want somebody to be of your
yes,
relative
in my
to be?
place. I
Whom?
am,
Whom?
my lord, family member,
Who?
my sister-in-law, my lord. My sister-in-law, my lord, with a condition, my lord.
Okay,
That-
we'll issue notice. What is there? Heard, Mr. Heard,
Can-
Mr. We
Lordship,
cannot stay this. We'll
Lord-
speak.
My lord, there is no provision for.
Lordship,
my lord.
kindly
Can you
see.
Consider it.
Lordship, kindly see, my lord, I'm submitting, my lord. I have submitted an application. My surrender is not there, my lord. And that too, for issuance of license in favor.
Have you surrendered or?
Yes, I have surrendered. Pursuant to his question, my lord. I have stated. in
No,
paragraph
no, how
five.
can you are elected, you are a big man, how you
No,
can
my
be
lord, ward
coerced
member,
into?
Gao Panchayat, ward member.
How you
what-
can be pressurized?
My lord, but there is, my lord, what?
Anyway, only issue notice,
My lord, another ground.
wrongly or rightly, this has been
Yes, my
granted,
lord.
that's all.
Another ground I'm assisting, my lord. That, my lord.
Sir, we'll consider, let them have the say,
Yes.
we'll
my
provide
lord,
them opportunity.
They will
It's
have
not,
their,
it's not only.
they will have
it's-
their
sir,
opportunity, my lord. They
It's,
will have-
it's
they will-
not, it's not only an petitioner who should be given an
Opportunity.
opportunity. Equally, other
She should
side,
get her-
respondents should also
My lord,
get.
she'll get her chance, my lord. Another point, she can, my lord, reply that. my
No,
lord,
no, today she may not. Because we'll issue notice,
lord,
it will come from it will come from the authorities, then only she will be able
yes,
to
true,
speak.
my lord, true, my lord. I am agree, my lord, lordship. For
Then,
issuance,
no use.
my lord, no. For
Sir,
issuance,
if-
for
if-
issuance of license,
Yes.
there is a requirement for submitting application.
Okay, well, everything, we'll issue notice. We'll consider everything.
Without application, the respondent number 7
Okay.
places. So, my lord,
Yes,
status
that's
quo
the
will be-
reason, that's the reason where, I mean, issuing notice.
Lordship, lordship, lordship.
Heard, mister?
And I pray for my lord status quo as on today, my lord.
Will not say anything.
Or the deputy commissioner shall
We'll
decide, my
consider,
lordship. There is-
it's the issuance of license.
Yes,
It doesn't mean that you will not get it. You may get it also.
for that, my lord, my alternative submission would be.
No, no, it
If the
will not.
deputy commissioner
The
decides,
state-
my lord,
what
we
do
will
you
file a
mean by,
representation.
what do you mean by status quo? Nothing.
If I-
This is the issuance of license. Why?
Yes, my lord. Alternatively, deputy.
We'll cancel, we'll direct them to cancel it if you find that it has been wrongly, given to the respondent number 7.
Yes, my alternative prayer is, my lord, if the deputy commissioner considers, since there is disputed question of facts, everything, and decide afresh, my lord. If your lordship decide on that, my lord, they have nothing to lose, my lord.
No.
If actually they are correct, they will get it, my lord.
Heard, mister?
JMA Choudhury.
Huh?
JMA Choudhury, my lord.
JMA Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner. Next para, challenge made in this writ petition is to the order dated 3/12/2025. Issued by passed by the Deputy Director in charge, Food Public Distribution and Consumer Affairs, Barpeta. Page 21, huh? Whereby the whereby one Safiqul Islam
Yes.
has been appointed, is sought to be appointed as fair price of dealer under MS Pasim Saruketri GPSS Limited in place of the petitioner.
Yes, my lord. Petitioner number
You are
2.
Hasib Ali,
In place of the petitioner number 2, my lord.
in place of the petition, Hasib Ali, petition number 2 herein, who has surrendered the fair price of dealer bearing license number BSM and so, you just write, see it from page 21. License number so and so and so and so. List of next para. It is the contention of the learned counsel for the petitioner that they, on being elected as what?
Ward member of a
Ward
government.
member of what?
Gao Panchayat.
Gao Panchayat. In which district? In
In-
which area?
Barpeta district.
Of which locality?
My lord, I am.
Which Gao
Lordship,
Panchayat?
lordship, lordship, I will give-
Of so and so Gao Panchayat in the district of Barpeta.
Ward number 19, Bagodi, Rongia, under
Ward member of ward
Page
number
15.
19.
Yes,
Bag- page 15, my lord. Bagodi, Rangia, under 5 Rangia constituency.
Elected as, on being elected as a member of Rangia Gao Panchayat from ward number 19, Bagodia, Rangia, under 5 Rangia constituency. Comma, he was supposed to surrender the fair price of dealer stuff. The petitioner was expecting that the same FPS dealer shall be granted by appointing the petition number 2.
One.
Petition number 2.
One, my lord. Appointed, will be appointed petition number 1. I am petitioner, and the petitioner number 2 is the my lord what?
You are expecting whom?
Petitioner number 1.
Who has elected? Who has surrendered?
And the petitioner number 2.
Acha.
Lordship has written that.
Who has surrendered?
Petitioner number 2.
Who has been elected as
Yes,
so and so? Then petition number 1 on 2 on being so and so. This is Hasem Ali
Yes,
is petition number 2.
yes,
Who has surrendered the
yes,
license?
yes.
Yes. First line. It is the contention of London Council by the petition. The petition number 2 on being elected, as so and so, page 15, you just see of so and so, what member, to give a detailed listing. You see? What member of the Rangia Gaon Panchayat from ward number 19, you just write that, Bagodi Rangia under 5th Rangia constituency, surrender so and so, surrender the FPS dealer license. And then forced to surrender, forced to surrender. Petitioner number 2 is forced to surrender so and so. Are you getting clear? The petitioner, while anticipating the appointment of petitioner number 1, being the family member in his place, the respondent authorities have illegally appointed the respondent number 7 which is against all the norms of appointment of FPS dealer and the granting of license thereof. Issue notice returning below 4 weeks. As MS
You does for 1 to 5.
State Council then without notice.
Caveat, my lord.
There's a caveat. Okay. And respondent and Mr. So and so does appear as an accept notice on behalf of all the respondents. Respondent number 7 also. Mr. You take this name. No formal notice in our accept. List after 4 weeks. Caveat is there.
My lord,
Caveat is listed.
since
Yes,
petitioner,
in caveat, Ard Mr. A.M. Khan, London Council for the petition. Caveat is then discharged.
my lord, since the petitioner number 2 is holding the, my lord, charge as of now. So I am praying for, my lord, status quo till the next date, my lord.
What charge? What charge?
My lord, I am holding the charge of, my lord, the PDS license holder. He has
Once
not
it is
entered, my lord.
appointed, how can you do?
No,
No,
no right.
order was passed,
He
but
has
this
got
was
no
not
right.
given effect to, my lord. This was not given effect to.
No, no.
That is why
He has got no
that is
right.
why I am praying for status quo, my lord. If he is, my lord,
In fact, your lordship, this petition is not continued. Because there is a provision of filing appeal, your lordship. Where there is a provision approved alternative
29.
from your lordship.
yes,
They
yes.
cannot,
Yes, my lord, for that I can show. There is, the appeal comes when,
Please,
my lord, appeal comes when,
Please.
if license, if like my license is cancelled, there is no order of cancellation of my license and they have not communicated it to me, my lord. Lordship, kindly see.
please don't dig your grave.
Yes, madam.
Yes.
Correct.
No, my lord.
Lordship.
License, appeal can be filed against the cancellation. My license was never cancelled.
Interim order interim prayer of the petitioner shall be considered on the next day.
Lordship, oblige.
No, mister. Not interim. The issue of maintainability
Yes,
raised by the
yes.
respondents shall be considered. No, and the, consider on the next date. And also depending on the, determination on the maintainability of the writ petition, the interim order, interim prayer of the petition shall also be considered,
My lord-
depending the.
Yes, yes. They may file,
Outcome of the,
my lord, they should file affidavit before that, my lord, so that we can accede it.
yes.
My lord, here the petitioner number 2 is the grandmother of the petitioner number 1. Now, Lordship will directly come to page 41 for a moment. Now, what happened, my lord, the petitioner number 2, was possessing a arms license since 1976 after inheriting an arms from her husband. It is a family heirloom, and now as she was 79 years, she recommended for transfer of her license to her grandson, that is petition number 1. Page 41, my lord, friends.
41.
Page 41.
Who? Prem Kumari Roy.
My lord.
In the name of the petitioner.
Yes.
Huh?
Petitioner number 2 is Prem Kumari Roy, and petitioner number 1 is Prithviraj Christopher.
What do you want?
Hello?
Will issue notice, what do you want?
No, I have a prayer of interim. Why, my lord? Now, we have already preferred an appeal against the refusal. The appeal is pending. Now, the rule prescribes the power of the appellate authority. Now, exceeding that power, the appellate authority has directed the petitioner number 2 to deposit the arms and the license. Though, my lord, the appellate
Before
authority
whom?
doesn't have that power. Now, my lord, the idea is that the petitioner number 2's license is valid till 31st of December. Now, if I submit my original license and the arms, I cannot get it renewed till my appeal gets disposed. And finally, if it is not renewed, my application, the license is expired, my appeal becomes infructuous. That's what the idea of the authority is.
Yes, is it the idea?
My lord,
Is it your idea?
it's better that idea, my lord. I'll have to take instruction regarding idea.
But I'll take
But my lord,
I'll take my argument on the jurisdiction, my lord.
page number 62, my lord, because there is no threat perception on the, my lord, petitioner number 1. That is a report from my lord superintendent of police is there. So that's why, therefore, my lord, granting of armed license has been rejected, my lord. That is page 62, my lord. Under
When
section
when you have been directed to, you are against the direction to
Production of the arms and the arms license. Now, my lord, if your lordship will kindly look at the rule, well, what my friend is saying, threat perception, that is not a condition for granting of a transfer under Rule 25. Rule 25, my lord, there is only 2 conditions. One is.
Where is the impugn order? Who is the impugn order?
My lord, impugn notice that my lord will find at page 123.
This is by whom? Appellate authority.
This is by a joint secretary, my lord, not even the appellate authority. And the rule, my lord, says it is, even if a production is directed, that can be done only by a magistrate. The appeal was heard on 2 days. The records have been called from the licensing authority. The appeal is heard. Without
But
disposing the
therefore
appeal, they are
requested
insisting on production.
No, decision due to your absence without any steps. The next date of hearing
no.
has been fixed on 12/11.
No, on 9/19/8, my lord will kindly take note. My lord, 19/8, 23/7, first we were heard. Again, the deputy commissioner, the licensing authority, they were called. 19/8, everyone was heard. Thereafter, 98, we were verbally informed that some orders will be passed.
No, you are therefore requested to appear in person before the appellate authority on the aforesaid date and time without fail, along with your arms and arms.
Arms
What
and
you-
arms,
It's
like-
not, you are not to deposit.
No, if your lordship observe that they will not retain, I have no difficulty in production.
No, no. How can you stop that?
Your lordship will.
It says that it's not for deposit. It is regarding hearing only,
Yes, my lord.
No,
hearing of your petition.
my lord, if your lordship will kindly have a look at rule 31, my lord.
No, it's okay. What do you mean by this? Due to your absence, without any state, next date of hearing has been fixed on 12/11.
Yes.
No, my
It's
lord.
over already.
No. What happened, my lord? On 19/8, when this original license was produced before the authorities.
We don't know, but
No,
then
my lord, there is a detailed representation like letter written to the authorities because they refused to give us the order. They refused to give us the order. We have sent an
See,
extra post
it
letter.
doesn't indicate this order, with you have been directed to appear.
Appear with arms and the arms license.
Yes, what's wrong?
If, my lord, my apprehension is that
No, no.
31st December, no, my lord will kindly appreciate one thing. 31st December is the date where my license will get expired.
When?
31st December.
When it is fixed?
My lord,
When you were directed to appear? 12/11,
12
1 month back.
12/11, we filed an application before the authorities to give us the order of 19/8, and it was adjourned at our behest. Now, the no date has been fixed up till now. But they are insisting on production of my license to dispose the application.
We'll go by this. You are directed to appear on 12/11.
But I have no difficulty in appearing. The lordship will
It's over already.
No.
12/11 is over.
12/11, there was an adjournment at our request saying.
See, due to your absence, Udan Estate, the next date of hearing has been fixed on 12/11/2025.
Your lordship will kindly come to page 120.
You are therefore requested to appear in person before the appellate authority on the aforesaid date and time.
Page 124, my lord, to kindly see.
Huh.
On 12/11, this is my application before the authorities, that it is to pertinent to mention that on 19/8/2025, the above mentioned matter was fixed for hearing, and on the same day, an order was passed directing the appellant to comply with the order dated 19/8/2025 on the next date fixed. On the said day 19/8, parties were heard on the point of appeal, but no order was passed. However, it was verbally informed that an order will be passed and the same will be communicated to the appellant, but no notice was served upon us, intimating about the next date. That as no notice was received by the appellant as well as the earlier order, upon inquiry, it came to light that on 9/10, but no order was communicated. Therefore, the undersigned in between approached the office of your counsel for furnishing the copy of the order dated 19.
We'll take it up on Friday. You
My lord,
take
my lord,
instruction.
my lord, my lord. Friday.
It is already over. You are directed on certain date that has been adjourned now. Right.
Malad, the notice is adjourned, but the order 19/8, pursuant to which this notice is issued, production of my.
It's not a production as such.
Appear.
You appear along with you carry and along with appear, that's all.
If your lordship observe that they will not retain my arms license.
No, we cannot.
My lord, but they have to.
We'll
tomorrow,
day after
take
tomorrow. Let them take instruction.
My lord.
Because you are saying that you have sought for an adjournment on 12/11. Thereafter, no order has been passed.
We have also sought for an order of 19/8.
That is gone now. If no order is passed as on today, you are free.
No, 19/8 order is still there, Mila.
Huh?
That 19/8/2025, that in that order, they have directed me to produce the arms, and pursuant to that, this notice is issued. And 19/8
Not
order.
produce along with the arms license and arms and license.
That is what, my lord, 19/8 order direct me to appear along with my arms and the license.
Same.
And this 19/8 order, my lord, purposefully they are not serving me. I have made 2 representations seeking that order, my lord.
Yes, you bring all those orders.
Let her bring that
Bring all
19/8
those
order.
orders tomorrow.
Day after.
After tomorrow.
Fine.
Huh?
19/8 order also.
Heard Mr. B. Kaushik London Council. It is straightforward. No. No, let this matter be listed. As straightforward by Mr. MS, you does, London State Council, let this matter be listed on Friday, 19 for instruction.
Instruction.
My lord, and the order dated 19/8/2025, if any.
Instruction, everything.
Instruction.
If she doesn't bring anything, we'll pass the interim order.
Lordship.
Highly obliged.
Yes. So what is 45, 46? 45, 46? Ah, why we should wait for all the time? Who is appearing? In item 45, 46? Motion will finish it first. Who is for the respondents? BTC. It's in from BTC.
PWD Standing Council, PWD.
BTC.
PTC is also there.
Main person is from BTC.
No lordship. NIT was issued from Chief Secretary. Chief Engineer, PWD lordship.
From which place?
Place is Buxa district.
Buxa, BTC.
It
This is what the Running Standing Council for PW said so.
I will inform.
You have not informed as yet. We have taken up this morning only.
46 also.
45.
45 and 46.
Who has appeared in the morning?
PWD.
PWD appeared, but they said it's BTC Council, which is concerned respondents.
Yeah, email.
Inform him. I told him to inform. Have you not informed?
No, I am,
Have you served the copy to BTC?
no, my lord.
Then how they will appear?
For 1, 2, and 3, my lord, PWD accepted. PWD accepted.
BTC also.
Yes, my lord.
It's okay. Please inform.
Okay, that too, my lord.
Not two. Before that, Motion will finish it.
Okay, I
Yes, next.
Please, your lordship.
Yes.
I'm very sorry for that, your lordship. Somehow this item has been skipped from me. And
Mr. J.C. Gord, Land Council for the petitioner. In view of the submission, Mr. S.K., your name, please?
Sharma, your lordship.
N. Sharma,
3
London
and 4.
Council for 3 and 4.
2, 3 and
2, 3, and 4.
And I am
Submits that the matter has escaped from his notice, therefore, pressed for listing of the matter after 3 weeks. Mr. Goswami, R. Goswami, respondent 5, and so. Who else are there? Are present. As agreed, list after 3 weeks. Yes.
Matter may be open for the day, Lordship.
Why?
Lordship, the Angus Council have some personal difficulty, Lordship, and also, Lordship, we have,
Have you served the amended writ petitions to the respondents? You served?
Lordship,
It was the order was passed on 1710. Mr. So Land Council, your name, please?
I am in, Lordship.
You are in the case.
Lordship.
London Council for the petitioner
And in
to furnish the copies of the amended writ petition to the London Council for the respondents within 2 days. List after 4 weeks. Yes, respondent. Who is the respondent?
it is Information Commissioner, my lord. 20. Some information was not furnished to him, my lord. Probably by this time he has got the information, maybe.
None appears for the petitioner. On call, Mr. B.J. Talukdar, London Additional Senior Government Advocate is present. What respondent number? Respond? 2 and 3. Two and 3. The matter pertains to the matter relates to seeking information under RTA. The matter relates to seeking information under RTA Act. It appears that the petitioner is no longer interested in pursuing this matter. Accordingly, the writ petition stands dismissed for non-prosecution. Huh?
Lordship, but we yesterday have filed an affidavit, Lordship, that may come on paper.
You have filed. What affidavit? Reply.
Reply.
Heard Mr. So-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner who submits that he has filed the additional affidavit in reply. Yesterday,
Yesterday we have received.
IE 16/12/2025, which has by furnishing a copy to the Mr. M. Sharma,
M. Sharma.
learned counsel for respondents,
Yes, respondent bank.
which
2, 3, 4.
Mr. Sharma acknowledges. However, same is not taken with the records verification. It's not here. It's not here.
Oh.
Additional affidavit by respondent number 2, 3, and 4. Not the additional. Reply.
Yes,
Reply. You have filed reply.
Yes, sir.
Reply
I have filed.
affidavit by petitioner. No, it's there.
Yesterday we have filed, Lordship, yesterday.
Another affidavit. Reply.
Yes, Lordship.
Then it's okay. However, affidavit in reply to what? Which affidavit? There is a reply affidavit by petitioner on 6/3/2024.
Record, Lordship, yesterday we have filed.
There you have already filed one in 06 on 06/03/2025.
Yesterday we have filed, Lordship.
No, he filed police.
Affidavit in reply.
Yes, Lordship.
Against which affidavit?
Lordship, they have written affidavit in reply to the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent.
No, there one affidavit in reply affidavit is 06/03/2020. They have already. Anyway, register to verify.
Lordship.
Sir, are you getting? কি নাম আছে? হ্যাঁ? দেখা।
Item 11.
Please, Your Lord. The matter relates to the suddenly change of the title of my three biggest land, my lord. My lord, there is a, their contention is that government, in 1976, my father-in-law had a long, excess land.
It's okay. Last time you sought for a time that there is a developments.
but they are not, we have
He
to
he
play.
has been informed that some steps has been initiated with regard to the representation filed by before the respondents.
Respondent may be disposed of, direction may be given.
Huh?
They are not disposing my representative.
No, you have said that steps have been taken, initiated.
They have rejected my claim for the, not to acquire the land. My lord, I have got 6 bighas of land, and out of that 3 bighas has been taken
So
away.
you
Now
challenge,
that after 50 years, 46 years, they're saying, that
you-
your father-in-law,
sir, you challenge that. During the pendency, your claim has been rejected.
yes, my claim has been presented.
So you
That's why I have come before your lordship.
You said there is steps have been initiated with regard to the representation filed before respond on 17/11/2022.
Yes, after that we have come before your lordship.
Huh?
I have come in 23.
Sir, you said on 22/10/2025 that the action has been initiated or the steps have been initiated with regard to your representation. What happened to that? Therefore, you sought for a time.
But we could not get this order. That is also a problem. We are
Huh?
not getting that order. We are not getting the original sealing case. That also we have taken the plea. Original sealing case, you do not know. 47 years ago, the sealing case
Why
came.
you are going haywire? I am asking you only,
Yes,
you have made a submission on October 2025 saying that steps have been initiated with regard to your representation filed on 17/10/2022.
Well, then
In view of that, you have sought for a time to obtain instruction.
obtain instruction from my client, what is the state of that very representation. I'll take time.
That October you said, that is, I'm precisely asking what happened.
No, I have got no knowledge. madam.
Mr. S.C. Biswas, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that he may be granted further 2 weeks time to,
3 weeks, my lord.
3 weeks time to obtain instruction in terms of the order reflected, in terms of the observation reflected by this court on 22/10/2025. You check this. What I say? Yes, if this was learned counsel by the petitioner. Observation made in terms of, and the observation made on 22 so and so 10/2020. You check that. Praise the Lord. This after 3 weeks.
Pleasure.
You record her name in Bordoloi. Yes.
Your Honor, in this matter, we are seeking response, updated response from the petitioners. So I will request Your Honor to kindly adjourn the matter post.
What? You want some instruction? What happened?
Your Honor, I am appearing on behalf of the engaged counsel in this matter.
Mr. So and so, learned counsel for the petitioner. Learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr.
A.R. Bhuya.
A.R. Buya, learned counsel for the petitioner. Pressed for and granted 4 weeks time to obtain instruction. Mr. R. Tabildar.
Lordship, A.R. Tahbildar,
A.R. Tabildar.
on behalf of R. Devi, CGC.
Huh?
On behalf of R. Devi, CGC. Correspondent number 1, 3, 4 and
He is present. Huh?
Abhay.
Item 13.
On appears for the petitioner on call, list after 4 weeks. Two o'clock.
Item 14. Item 14.
Yes, Singhaji. Yes.
Please, Your Lordship. This
Yes,
Termination of the pharmacist license, Your Lordship.
huh?
This relates to the termination of the pharmacist license.
Pharmacist license.
We are the pharmacist license.
Hmm.
Wherein my contention is
It will
that.
take some time.
It will take some.
Heard Mr. R. Singh, learned counsel for the petition, and Mr. B. Gogoi, learned standing counsel,
My lord, here the health department.
health department. Writ petition. And admit list poll hearing in usual course. We are admitting it.
Well, Your Lordship can fix it in the admission stage. It will take hardly 10 minutes because there is a
You
law.
said it will take time. 10 minutes to no issue. It would have been no issue.
And then I can, Your Lordship, satisfy Your Lordship on that point. Your
I've
Lordship.
already admitted. Well, it will be, you give them fix that, whatever. 4 weeks. February.
Sorry, Lordship, I'm from, for item number 13, Lordship.
It's already over. Yes.
Just pass over, Lordship. I'm outside, Lordship.
Huh?
Just pass over, Lordship. 13, Lordship, item.
How? It is over. We're on 14. We have passed the order in 14.
Kindly take this matter, Lordship.
Why?
Sorry, Lordship, I'm very
You
sorry.
record his name and as ordered. You have not appeared. Item you record his name instead of you delete that order. Or Mr. B.U. only prayer, Mr. B.U. Laskar, learned counsel for the petition, list this matter after 4 weeks. All right.
In item 15, petitioner has based his claim on certain rules, which have been set aside by the Honorable Court. Madam. I'll give him the case judgment order, madam. They will go through if they can press further, madam, if they want to press further.
Mr. D. Gogoi, learned standing counsel Forest Department, submits that the claim made in this writ petition is based on the rules.
Yes, madam.
What
Assam
rule?
Forest village rules, madam.
Assam Forest Village.
Village lands, village rules, madam.
What do we call it?
Assam Forest Village Establishment Rules, madam.
Assam Forest Establishment Rules of
Assam Forest Village Establishment Rules, madam.
Assam Forest Village Establishment Rules
Of 1891, madam.
1819, which has already been set aside
Yes.
by this court. In view of the above, MS so submits that she may be granted to go through the same. Therefore, phrase for listing of matter, choose phrase list up to forums.
Item 23.
Yes.
Lordship, only dispute is that, Lordship, this land of this petitioners was acquired by the state respondent, Lordship. Some compensation was awarded accordingly. This, Lordship, will find at page 32. Office communication was, Lordship, forwarded to this petitioner, stating that the amount is supposed to be received.
It will take time.
Lordship,
You are seeking what? Seeking compensation.
compensation,
Hearing it will take some time.
it will take some time. And also, Lordship, there is clear direction was there, Lordship, to take proper instruction. They have filed a reply, Lordship, in the reply, Lordship, they have not specifically, replied to the affidavit, to the content of the petitioner. So their specific stand is required, Lordship.
Is it good for you? What's
Yes,
wrong?
related to, Lordship,
My lord, respondent authority has filed the affidavit. As per the affidavit, in fact, there is no outstanding amount now pending. There is no pending amount. Entire amount has been paid as per the affidavit filed, my lord.
Yes, then?
That is I'm saying, Lordship, that their own notification, Lordship, which I have annexed as page
No, that will not
2,
do.
they have not responded to their that notification. Whether, Lordship, it was issued to this petitioner or not. They are just, Lordship.
Now we'll admit and we'll hear the
Take some
matter.
time, Lordship, may take after.
We'll hear the matter, we'll admit the petition. Any harm?
It
No.
may dispose of in admission stage also after.
Heard, Mr.
J. Kolika.
J. Kalita, Land Council for the petition, and Mr. B. Goswami, learned additional AG for respondents, all the respondents.
I think,
You record your name.
better respondent.
Ah.
I'm then 4 and 5.
Then you write hard, Mr. It's okay, huh? You just give the name. Admit. List for hearing,
Can be for admission here,
huh?
can be for admission here, because otherwise.
We're admitting, once we admit, where is the question of, we'll hear it properly on your hearing days.
Hearing for, it will take some time, otherwise that is why I'm saying for admission.
You give that date,
Yes, sir, that may be so.
last part of March,
Before
February, first
Sorry.
or second week of February.
first week.
So today Lordship has admitted this.
Admitted.
Yes.
I think it's better if the matter,
yes.
if it takes more time, if it do take some time, better to admit and hear it on a, fix it on a hearing day.
Hearing day,
So
right.
that it can be heard. Otherwise, neither here nor there, difficult to handle the thing.
Like,
Yeah, please, your lordship.
Yes.
Matter may be passed over after some time, your lordship.
Why?
My senior counsel is at court number 3, your lordship.
So what is the matter here? Any affidavit has been filed? Yes,
We have one instruction. Lordship may kindly allow us some time to file it.
heard MS so and so learned counsel for the petitioner. On the prayer of Mr.
A. Bhattacharya.
A. Bhattacharya, learned state counsel, further 3 weeks time is granted to file affidavit in opposition.
Obliged.
Thank you,
Yes,
your lordship.
yes, affidavit,
My-
second time.
Here, the wife of the deceased needs to be made a party, my lord.
Why?
Because the compensation is being claimed by the victim's brother, my lord.
Wife is not a party.
No.
It's up to them. Nobody appears. None appears for the petitioner on call. Mr. I Bhattacharya, on the prayer, Mr. I Bhattacharya, learned standing counsel, Forest,
Forest.
PHA,
Forest.
Forest Department.
And for respondent number 4.
The prayer of so and so, land council, I Bhattacharya, land standing council, Forest Department, and Mr. S.S. Roy,
For respondent
and
number
Mr.
4.
Correspondent for. This matter after 4 weeks. So as to enable the respondents to file their respective affidavit in opposition. Yes.
My lord, I am appearing for private respondent lordship. I am considering this order, impugn order may be set aside and remanded back for passing a fresh order after giving due opportunity. Their grievance is that due opportunity was not given to them, hearing was not given, lordship.
Here the petitioner is a Panchayat member, lordship. So on the basis of the report from the private respondent, who is a deputy candidate, lordship, so the respondent has to pass the removal order, lordship.
Yes, then,
Then they have challenged on main ground is that hearing was not given to them, lordship. And matter may be remanded back by setting aside this impugn order
Allegation is fully illegal, lordship. They
and fresh
stated
hearing
that-
may be.
They stated that I have done my first wife is when I married the first wife, lordship, she was in minor, lordship. On the basis of the,
again, send it back to,
Back
for
to
hearing.
DC for fresh hearing and.
Who
fresh-
has to hear it?
District
Who
commissioner,
has to, huh?
district commissioner, lordship.
well, let them.
I
file
am
an
the complete-
affidavit- Let them file an affidavit, lordship. That's one of the, they may file an affidavit.
We file our affidavit, Lordship, because we are justifying our stand, Lordship.
Okay. Heard Mr. So and so learned counsel for the petition. And Mr.
MQ Hussain for private respondent.
Application for respondent number 6.
Lordship.
On the prayer of Mr. S.S. Roland, State Council, for the 3 weeks time is granted to file affidavit in opposition.
In the meantime, earlier interim order continued, lordship.
Therefore,
Yes.
that's why, That's why you want that they should file an affidavit. Interim order passed at least.
Online.
3 weeks, 3 weeks.
Yes, Your Lordship. Lordship, we have received instructions from our client, withdraw the matter. Your Lordship.
Withdraw.
Yes.
Mr. R.B. Gohai.
A Goswami, on behalf of P. Mohan.
A Goswami. A Goswami. A Goswami. Learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. P. Mahanta, learned counsel for the petition submits that he has an instruction to withdraw district petition.
I'm for one,
Including,
2, 3, 4, 5 and 6.
Therefore, same may be closed. Mr. S.S. Roy,
1 to 6.
learned state counsel, and
And for respondent number 7, MD,
M. Dev.
MD.
And the learned counsel for the respondents are present. According to it, petition stands closed on withdrawal. Stands closed on withdrawal. Right?
Obliged.
Yes.
In this, respond number 8 expired and we filed substitutions and that was allowed.
Respond number
8.
allowed, then
Lordship, notice has to go to the substituted respondents, 8-1, 8.
notice has not been issued.
Not.
Heard Mr. So-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner. Issue notice to the newly implemented.
Respond number 8-1, 8-2 and 8-3.
Newly no. Issue notice to the substituted respondent number
8-1, 8-2 and 8-3.
8-1, 8-2 and 8-3. Return within 4 weeks. Petitioners to take steps for service of notice by speed post within 2 days.
Lord, much obliged.
Item 31.
Thank you.
Service report is.
Coverage. Affidavit,
Not received, Lordship instruction not received. Therefore,
none
complaint.
appears for the petition on call. However, Mr. S.S. Roy, not however, Mr. S.S. Roy and Borderline, standing counsel. And London State Council and Standing Council for Revenue, for State and the Revenue Department. Press for an got 3 weeks time to file affidavit. No question.
33. Item 33.
Now appears for the petitioner. Next para. Issue notice to newly implemented respondent number 2, returnable by 4 weeks, and counsel with the petitioners to take steps for service of notice upon respondent number 2 by a speed post within 1 week. I will this, what is this? 33. Then
34, my lord, that interesting case. Lordship has appointed an amicus And now he's rejecting.
Resume at 2.
My lord.
ये सब नहीं देखते हैं उस फूल कल पूरा
I think I can 45 and
ये राय को समझे ना ये नीचे के लिए मिनट तक नहीं चेयर को उसको मालूम नहीं होता Yes.
Yes, so far as the tender is concerned, Lordship, although the date of opening was 11/12, Lordship, it is not yet open now. That is
So you don't reject in the interim, will subject to this thing?
Lordship. So, but other aspect is under the control of the BTC authority. If they have already not rejected the application, I mean.
Similar order will pass if it is not open.
Lordship, Lordship.
161 page.
What?
That is not required.
Yes.
So Lordship will pass the interim order as.
Yes.
as soon as also, but it will be subject to if in the meantime.
The same order will pass because we don't know.
Yes.
Maybe you come up with all those instruction. Because as of now, they said they have visited the thing, the executive engineer has not given them the site verification,
Lordship.
which is requirement. So till it is considered, you may reject him on other grounds,
Yes.
but not on the ground of some non-submission of this. What do you call it? Site verification,
Yes, my lord. Site visit certificate.
site visit certificate. Who has to visit? Where's the district?
Yes, my lord.
Where is the clause?
Nowadays, Lordship, this is a mandatory condition.
Mandatory.
Mhm.
For,
We have come across
yes,
many cases.
yes, Lordship.
On
that
this
is the
ground.
difficulty. Lordship, some.
I think you need to, advise your officers.
We have already.
There must be
advised,
something more
Lordship,
than
but
what
in
is.
some cases, Lordship, it is because of the fault of the bidder also, Lordship, they reject the site. visit.
Almost all the cases we have seen, they said that they have visited, but then they refuse
Nowadays,
to.
Lordship, they are taking action.
It's not a acceptable. There are so many cases on this ground alone. You might have come across also.
Lordship.
Yes, what is that clause?
Yes, my lord.
That visitor clause 2.
Yes, my lord. Yes, 39, my lord.
39.
There's my lord. Yes, 39. Clause 7, my lord. 7.1, my lord. And in tender, my lord, mandatory, my lord, that test.
Just one by one, sir.
Yes, yes,
7, site visit.
yes, my lord.
You might not have visited the site.
Page 143, my lord.
Acha.
It is my geotech photograph.
Okay, okay. Heard Mr.
M. Golitam.
Learned counsel for the petitioner. Agreed by the non-issuance of site visit certificate, site visit verification certificate, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Site visit verification certificate.
Yes.
Is it, sir?
Yes.
Site visit certificate with verification by the executive engineer, PWRD, Musalpur, within bracket, RNB bracket close, division, Musalpur, to the petitioner pursuant to the NIT dated 17/11/2025, issued by the Chief Engineer, Udin Roads, PWRD, Assam, Chanmari, for construction of roads and bridges project under SOPD-G for the year 25-26 in Manas LAC in Buxar district of Assam. In inviting bids from approved and eligible contractors registered with PWRD from Assam. This application, this petition has been instituted, is instituted. Stuff. It is the case of the petitioner that he being the +1 within bracket A category contractor registered under the Public Works Road Department, Assam, submitted his bid for 4 numbers of packages for construction of roads and bridges, bridge projects in Manas LAC in Buxar district of list of in terms of the clause 7 of the bid document. It is bid document or what?
Instruction to bidders.
Instruction instruction to bidders. The petitioner visited the sites pertaining to 4 numbers of packages and requested for issuance of site visit certificate with verification from the respondent executive engineer PWRD Maselpur R&B Brigade Close Division Maselpur on 08/12/2025. Mr. However, the executive engineer has not issued the site verification, site visit certificate list of the requirement and the site visit and obtaining of site visit certificate with verification from the executive engineer is a mandatory condition which is to be submitted along with the bid list of the executive engineer so and so has refused to issue the said certificate without any reasonable ground. List of the petitioner having no alternative and the last date of submission of bids being 11/12/2024 has submitted it bids without the said visit certificate with verification. Therefore, it is contended that the respondent number, the respondent authority, particularly the executive in PWR so and so, be directed to issue the said visit verification, certificate with verification. This stuff. And in the meantime, since the technical bid may open, the respondent be directed not to reject the bid of the petitioner on the ground of non-submission of said visit certificate with verification. List of next paragraph. Issue notice returnable by. We'll make it 3 weeks. 3 weeks. As Mr. P. Nayak, Learned Standing Council, PWD.
Yes, Lordship, I'm appearing for 1 and 2.
Correspondent 1 and 2. And MS?
P. Bora, correspondent.
B.
P. Bora.
P. Bora, Standing Council. Huh? Standing Council, BTC. Correspondent number? 3. Enters appearance and accept notice on behalf of all the respondent. No formal notice needs to be served. Next paragraph.
Thank you, sir. Exactly, sir.
Where is that order in other cases?
Page 161.
160?
One, my lord, relevant person. There are 7 and 8, my lord.
Hard on interim prayer, huh? Next prayer. The petitioner appears to have visited the site of 4 packages for construction of so and so, for issuance of to submit. No, for the purpose of participating in the tender pursuant to the NIT dated so and so. Well, this stuff. The respondent number 3, the executive engineer so and so, is duty bound to issue site verification, site visit certificate with verification to the petitioner if the to the bidders, intending bidders who visits the sites. This stuff. The in the present case, no, not the executive engineer appears to have not issued, appears to have, the executive engineer has not issued the site visit certificate with verification. Prima facie without any reasonable cause which has deprived the petitioner to submit the bid along with the submit the bid with the site visit certificate in terms of the clause 7 of the instruction to bidders, huh? Next paragraph. Having considered that the petitioner, the respondent number 3 has refused to issue the site verification, site visit certificate with verification, prima facie. Unjustified gain, comma. Without any reasonable cause, huh? Prima facie. I didn't, and also considering that the, in the various other similar proceedings, an interim order has been passed, comma, I deem it appropriate to pass the following interim. Deem it appropriate to direct that till the next date of, till the next returnable date, the bid of the petitioner shall not be rejected on the ground of non-furnishing of the site visit certificates as required under clause 7 of the instruction to bidders. That's all. Only in respect. Other, if you open it, if can be rejected on
Yes.
other grounds, it
No,
is
no.
not barred. Only on this ground.
Except this ground, Lord.
So same, my lord. Same NIT, my lord. Only one packages, my lord, is. in
One
this-
package
Yes,
of what?
what my lord, NIT, my lord, there's 19, that is last 4,
Page
19, my lord. Only 4 serial numbers. Yes,
Other one is you have participate, I mean,
yes,
submitted it
yes,
been in 4
yes,
packages.
yes.
Visit also 4 packages.
Yes,
Here only difference is
difference is, that is in.
One
4
package.
Yeah, one.
package number 4.
Four.
Right?
Yes.
First one, four packages.
Yes.
Here, one
Only-
package,
only one.
package number 4.
Package.
There will be difference. Same NIT.
Same NIT.
Obliged.
Lordship, by filing this review petition, I beg to pay this court that the earlier order which was passed on 03/01/2025 may kindly be reviewed. And I may be allowed to plead my own case because I have been pleading since 2023.
Heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner. A learned counsel, heard petitioner in person, huh? This review application has been filed for review petition has been filed, huh? You are appearing and Mr.
N. Upadhyay, Lordship.
Anupadhyay and they are,
He is for Lordship,
He
probably
go-
he is not in the review petition,
I'm
Lordship.
not in a review petition.
no,
Please read that.
Anupadhyay. Learned standing counsel
Lordship.
or, respondents. Next para, this review petition has been filed seeking review of the order dated 03/09/2025 passed by this court, whereby the Mr. S. Banu, learned counsel, was appointed as amicus curiae after consideration of the interest of the petitioner in person. Mr. Next paragraph. It is submitted by Mr. Paras Kumar Bhattacharya, learned, and the Bhattacharya, petitioner in person, that he may be allowed to plead his case instead of the appointing
One thing, Lordship,
amicus curiae.
he.
List of next paragraph. This court consciously appointed Mr. S. Banik, learned counsel, purely for the interest of the petitioner's person. However, if the petitioner wishes to plead his case, it would not be appropriate to appoint, to allow to appoint. It may not be appropriate. No, it would be not interest. No, it would not be. It may seems not appropriate to appoint amicus curiae. Although no specific ground for review is made out on the insistence of the petitioner in person, Mr. Bhattacharya, this review petition is disposed of by recalling the order dated 03/09/2025. The petitioner does the order dated 03/09/2025 appointing Mr. S. Banik as amicus curiae in instance recalled, review petition stands closed.
Main case, Lordship, fixing.
We are not passing any.
Lordship. All right, Lordship.
Okay. Yes. It's Barua. Now it appears for the petitioner on call list after 4 weeks.
May I plead your lordship?
Yes,
Kindly bear an order dated 24/11/24.
you Sharma, affidavit.
I'm appearing for the bank, my lord. Response number 3.
Hmm.
I pray for some more time, my lord, at least 2 weeks' time, my lord. We'll have to file the affidavit. Because there are lots of agencies.
Who has appeared on Mr. You are you Sharma.
I'm N. Borua, my lord.
Last time you Sharma appeared.
My lord.
The freezing.
I'm heard Mr. Him as so and so learned counsel for the petitioner. Although the Mr. U Sharma learned counsel for the prayer of Mr. U Sharma. Although this court granted 3 weeks time to Mr. U Sharma learned counsel for respondent for filing affidavit in opposition. To file affidavit in opposition, comma. Today, Mr.
N. Barua.
N. Barua appearing.
For the
You are
respondent.
separately, you are same.
Same, my lord. We are same, my lord.
In that case, if you are same, then you cannot seek time again and again like this. Although this Mr. Yusuf Malan counsel for the respondent number 3 was granted 3 weeks time to enable him to file, 3 weeks time to file affidavit of opposition, comma, Mr. So-and-so again prayed for another 3 weeks, Mr. Prayer for prayer of Mr. So-and-so is allowed. Accordingly, further 3 weeks time is granted to file affidavit of opposition.
Lordship, a date may be fixed, freezing of a bank account, Your Lordship.
Give the date.
See, today the matter has come up for orders, the matter may come up for admission.
Admission, my lord. Will
The matter may come up for admission, Your Lordship. Oblige, Your Lordship.
This for admission after 3 weeks on so-and-so, give the date.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
status quo में कहने के सो status quo से well the petitioners want to extract the fruit of their labor, my lord. They want to cultivate those crops, but my lord will come to the petition.
Have you filed the affidavit?
My lord kindly come to the last page of the petition. Status quo has been ordered by the Supreme Court, my lord. The parties shall maintain status quo, my lord. In view of that, my lord, we cannot allow them to extract the crops. And that apart, my lords, there is another judgment. While we are looking for instructions, we came across a judgment of the Supreme Court, my lords. This
This
Godavarman.
by the same party.
Yes.
No, my lord.
Who has approved the Supreme Court?
Supreme Court party is different, my lord. Abdul Khaled.
Area is same, my lord.
Lord. And here is Ismail Ali and others, my lord. These are different
But
parties.
area is same.
Why this is listed for today?
My lord,
Orders.
after notice, first time it has come up.
Yes, you file your
My
affidavit.
friend can file an affidavit clarifying their stand. my lord.
Who is respondent 1 and 2? 1 to 4?
Forest produce.
Huh?
Respondent one is the my lord, revenue is the my lord, and the district commissioner is Gulagat.
My lord, PN Goswami will, in a capacity of additional AG, my lord, he.
Who is respondent number 5? It says that the office,
Circle
notice has not been issued to circle officer.
My lord.
What do you mean by this? Why they are saying so?
Report it has.
My lord,
Report
all-
it has, noted. Report goes to 9.
Which additional advocate general?
Yes, my lord. I represent him, my lords, in his proceedings, so I'll be responding for all the departments.
No, you're supposed to apprise this court regarding steps taken. as
Exactly, my lord.
extended
We cannot
crops.
do anything, my lord. Status quo is there because it's a forest land.
Status quo is
No,
not
let me complete, my lord. We have come across a Supreme Court judgment, my lord, which bars us from doing anything in the forest, my lord. It's admitted as forest area. I can't read this.
Lord, we were
Godavarman is
citing
still going on, my
theory,
lords.
my lord, from last 50 to 70 years, my lord. Now, for those years, there was no problem, my lord, cultivating non-forest activities. Now, my lord,
Who is appearing for respondent number 5?
Lord, five is.
Five
better.
also I can
Yes,
represent,
sir,
my
can
lord.
appear.
Why this unnecessary, this office note has been given? Where is this notice issued to 1 and 4?
My lord,
Issue
actually, in the
notice
last
retirement
court
will so and so, is correspondent for no notice to be Mr. For this copy, extra copy. Next, Mr. Air Goyal and counsel for the petitioners. Although office note dated 11/12/2025 indicates that no notice was issued to respondent, a directive to be issued to respondent number 5, comma, the respondent number 5 being the circle officer
My lord.
is represented by Mr. D. Wu,
My lord, additional AG, my lord, today he is not here, so I represent him.
So why he's not, why I should record his name when he's not there?
Well, I speak on his behalf today, my lord.
Why? How
He's
can
not
you
there.
speak on behalf as an additional advocate?
No, my lord, not as in my lord, on behalf, my lords.
Huh?
Not as an additional advocate general, on behalf.
How can there be? Are you a spokesperson? Do you have
No,
the
no.
spokesperson of additional advocate general?
No,
See, we want some instruction from you, the additional advocate general.
my lord.
Either you adjourn, you may mention on behalf of him, but you cannot address to the
My lord,
court.
I can respond because as a
No.
as a forest, my lord.
No, you may be, but we have directed the additional advocate general to apprise.
Okay, my lords. I'll apprise. I'll apprise.
Who represent respond number 5, circle officer?
Then he comes in the picture.
Huh?
Your lordship, additional AG is appearing lordship, so he is representing all lordship.
Kaun?
Additional AG lordship.
Huh?
Additional AG. Today he is not a lordship due to some personal inconvenience.
What is it? What I said? The additional advocate general, Mr. Goswami, PN Goswami. Over. It is stated that the, not however, but next para, it is stated that the by Mr. D. Gogoi, Learned Council, then Mr. P.N. Goswami, Learned Additional. Press for listing of the matter after 4 weeks. Yes. Praise the Lord.
But in this case, matter the petitioner's bank account was Chris Miller. Duty and occasion of Miller, alleged transaction of 12,000 Miller, fraudulent transaction Miller. Now, petitioner's bank account Miller is the pension bank account Miller. Petitioner used to draw regular pension Miller from this account Miller. Now, due to the freezing of the account Miller, petitioner is not able to draw his monthly pension Miller.
Yes. Have you taken steps?
Yes, ma'am.
Or Mr. So and so, learned consent of the police. Office note data 11/12/2025 indicates that neither the ID cards nor unserved notices have been received back. And received from the respond number 225. Have been received back, huh? No, in respect of respond number 225 have been received back. However, as per the postal tracking report, it is shown to have been delivered in view of the notices upon response 2 to 3 is deemed to have been served.
Right.
Then what to do? List for admission after 3 weeks. Admission. Give the date. 3 weeks.
Smile. Public.
As per official dated 11/12/2025, my lord, the service in respect of respondent number 8 to 13, my lord, has been duly served, my lord.
Not duly, it's only delivered.
Delivered, my lord.
Office note, heard Mr. So and so, office note that 11/12 indicates that answer notice has been received back upon respondent number 7. List of. In respect of respondent number 8 to 13. Neither the ID card nor answer notices have been received back. However, postal tracking report indicates that the notice has been delivered to respondent number 8 to 13. 8 to 13. Considered above, the notices upon respondent 8 to 13 is deemed to have been served. List of the learned counsel for the petitioner to take precise steps for notice upon respondent number, for service of notice upon respondent number 7. Within 2 days. Take precise steps for respondent number 7.
There is no person, my lord.
We don't know. That's up to you.
as per-
If there is no person, why you made them a party?
He is the authorized officer of the DC, my lord.
We don't know.
I may be allowed to serve notice of proper address now.
I said, press steps.
Yes, my,
Whatever.
in proper address, my lord.
Obviously,
Most of them.
File an IA because EIS has to be changed.
Please, Lordship. As per office note dated 11 December, Lordship, service upon the respondent number 3 and 4 may deem to be completed, Lordship.
yes, he's right, mister. What is that name? You want to have the proper address to be the incorporated here in the petition.
I will search, my lord.
They will say not to take appropriate steps for service of notice upon respondent. Then you, whatever you want to do it.
Most of it.
Yes.
As per office note dated 11 December, Lordship, service upon the respondent number 3 and 4 has deemed to be completed, Lordship. May deemed to be completed.
You have taken Dusty also.
Yes, Lordship. Dusty in respect of respondent number 3, Lordship.
Notices in respect of respondent number 3 and 4 is served by Dusty Mode, for which the Colonel Counsel for Petitioner has filed an affidavit.
Yes, Lordship.
Which is taken on record. List of therefore, accordingly, the service of notice upon respondent 3 and 4 services are complete. List for admission after 4 weeks.
Please, Lordship. There is a two IM, this is one of the relating to 4135. It is one of the I am agreed by the annexer 1 at page 11.
4135.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
By whose manner Deputy Commissioner Nagaon, it is in the office of the Additional Deputy Commissioner, issued some notice to be some selected. Page number 11, madam. Annexer 1 at page 11.
To whom it has been addressed?
Nothing is there. It is a circular style copy. Interested to issue some interested person.
To whom?
To hold someone meeting for constituted a trust, my lord. To constitute a trust, my lord.
It has not been issued to anybody.
No, well, I am coming, my lord. This is a next, second attempt. It has been made by the Deputy Commissioner. The earlier occasion, Because there is already one trust is exist. Trust has been reconstituted, that is in 2025. And Mandir is under the trust body, the managing committee also been constituted. But there was some allegation was made to the deputy commissioner regarding the constitution of public trust. The deputy commissioner in earlier occasion, let's see, in the writ petition, the original writ petition, my lord, the annexure,
That has been stayed.
there was no stay, but the stay was kept open and notice was issued to the deputy commissioner. And that was served, my lord. So my contention is this,
Lordship,
my lord.
kindly
Let me finish. So my
No, no,
contention-
when there's no stay in the main case,
No, my lord, my.
and this notice, I mean, this letter, whatever is a notice or what,
Notice for the reconstruction of.
to
the
whom it has been given?
Nothing, my lord, no, it is addressed.
Then
is
it
WhatsApp-
doesn't have
WhatsApp.
exist.
It is WhatsApp, my lord,
No,
WhatsApp.
no, WhatsApp, we cannot take cognizance.
No, my lord, the lordship kindly, my lord.
Holding of need, when different
lordship,
society,
lordship.
I would like to inform you that meeting is scheduled to be held on 18 December.
Lordship
At
kindly
4
come
PM
to-
in conference hall, district commissioner for reconstituting managing committee, board of trustees of Krishna Ashram Nova, as well as to nominate trustees of were in accordance with the closed section of trust deed registered in Krishna Ashram Nova. You are there requested and attend the same on the same time. Yes,
My lord, lordship will come to, my lord, kindly come to page number 86 of annexure 9 of the original writ petition.
yes, do you have any
Lordship, kindly see order dated,
instruction?
Lordship, kindly see order dated, 5/12/25,
Of what?
that
Of
main
writ
writ
my
petition.
lord.
Yes, 5/12.
On 5/12/25,
Hmm.
notices issued 4 weeks. Last paragraph, the prayer for interim release is kept open for consideration on the returnable date.
Hmm.
The question of maintainability of the writ petition also kept open for consideration in the returnable date. Today's lordship, notice was issued only on 5/12/25. The maintainability of that IA is also,
5/12?
notice was issued on 5/12.
Hmm.
It is all right, my lord. I am not disputing
Then
on that.
they have filed one IA.
My lord, when the matter was subjudice before lordship,
Return till
and
return-
lordship has, my lord, observed that these things will be decided
My lord,
in next
kindly-
rendezvous date, then what, my lord, urgency required to.
No, no,
take action?
and it's okay, I've understood, but then to whom this letter is?
Later, my lord, in the earlier occasion, lordship, my lord, kindly pays to kindly 86, my lord. Lordship come to know the entire facts, my lord. 86, my lord.
Yes.
Similar notice was issued earlier also.
Hmm.
And in pursuance of the one public meeting was held, my lord, on that is annexure 10 at page 57. Against which, my lord, we came.
Hmm.
And lordship, my lord, was pleased to issue the notice on the entire issue, my lord. Now, the deputy commissioner, without waiting for this, my lord, to be exercised by the honorable court, they have again jumped on the same issue and issuing the, my lord. That means, my lord, they are trying to avoid the judicial activity, my lord. It is my submission, my lord. Why,
What is your instruction?
Lordship, just notice was issued, Lordship, we have 4 weeks time was given to us to obtain the instruction, Lordship. Today is hardly, how many days, Lordship?
Exactly, my lord. Why then they have come
Please
against?
tomorrow, you obtain instruction
Lordship,
over telephone. Why they,
That
why
I
they
can- that
urgency,
is fine.
why they hurry to, I mean,
Yes, my lord.
when, just because there is no interim order,
They are taking the advantage, my lord. There is an interim order, so they are trying to avoid the honorable court order.
One more thing, Lordship,
uh,
no extra copies were served to us till today.
Without serving, my lord, we cannot file.
What, my
will
lord,
not
no
accept
extra copies, Lordship.
Court will say that they are not submitting,
Oh,
my lord.
Lordship,
Unless and until court the direction, my lord, how can I submit?
no, these are not to be argued.
Lordship
Sir,
has-
this is
Lordship
the
gave a
practice
direction,
nowadays,
my
Lordship.
Sir, these are not to be argued.
No, I have before filing these things, my lord.
These are all you have to understand,
No, my lord.
all of you.
No, this is whatever my learned friend is submitting, this is not true, my lord.
Yes.
At the time of the filing of this IA. when
No,
my-
no, what is it? Extra copies, he said.
My lord, right? Today, at
When?
itself, right now, I will submit, my lord.
Yes,
Yes,
that
my
way, you say
Right.
so, na, you say so, na.
This is the copy they have received, my lord.
No, no,
This is the
no, I am not saying
Extra
that
copies.
of the writ petitions, of the
I
writ
give my lord
petition.
definitely, but before submitting, my lord, before lordship, how I can give this extra copy, my lord?
No,
no.
Lordship,
No, no.
notice was issued on 5/12 then.
That is been served to
The
you.
not, sir.
petitioner shall also furnish
That is
requisite
copy has been
number of
served.
extra copies.
That is been served, my lord. The writ petition copy has been served.
Not
That has
served.
been deposited in their office.
You said members of
There, my lord. It is there, my lord.
extra copies, they to allow with
there, my lord.
annexers to working
It is as
two
back on, my
working
lord,
days from today.
11, 12.
Check it, check it.
11, 12, my lord. That is been served.
You tell them, show them why.
No, I don't know, my lord, how this office is going on. Computer, it is with there. How their office is running, well, I don't understand.
My lord, our signature is not there only.
Huh?
Please allow. I don't know. You have received, your office has received.
Only revenue has been given, other departments, DC has not been given.
DC also there.
Kindly look.
DC also there. I'm sorry, my lord. DC copy also there. That is been by, all copies are there, my lord. All copies we have served. It is not that we are not serving, my lord. Remember, there is no communication at all with the office.
You give it, you, anyway, I don't want to involve in all these things. These are all
Let them come
petty
to
matters.
the instruction, my lord.
You furnish a copy
My lord, if it is there, my lord.
now, right now.
Lordship,
Right,
right now.
let it be reopening date, Lordship.
No,
Then what it
because
will
they
stay,
will
my
be,
lord.
then will
Lordship,
stay this.
Yes.
Lordship, how Lordship kindly see 512 order, Lordship.
They will
Kindly see,
stay this in that case.
Lordship, kindly see 512 order, Lordship. Detail why the interim order was not granted.
It's
Kindly
all
see,
right,
Lordship.
it's all right. But then why a rush? Why a hurry?
Lordship, that
Why
I have
hurry?
that I have to take inside because there is no stay, Lordship.
From the instruction.
No, stay, if there's a stay, we'll catch all of you. That's what I'm saying.
No,
That's why we're asking you to take
Lordship,
instruction.
Lordship kindly says, Lordship, the writ petition, what their interim order was, notice was issued on that interim order, Lordship. Same thing, Lordship.
Then why you have to issue, why you have to rush?
Well, Lordship,
Why by which is in this thing? That too without addressing anybody.
Lordship kindly says.
Blank notice to whom? It is directed against whom?
Some WhatsApp, my lord, number.
And you are going to conduct it on 4 PM tomorrow, 18.
Yeah, sure, that I have to take instruction, Lordship.
Same format.
Lordship. That's why, Lordship, whom it was issued, nothing is there,
But
Lordship.
on the basis of the earlier meeting was conducted, my lord.
You have fixed the date.
Let it be on Friday, Lordship.
Friday is the
No, Friday. You have fixed the meeting tomorrow.
Lordship, Friday, 4 PM, Lordship, as a first item, Lordship.
15, 18. Tomorrow is 18. You have fixed the meeting on 18. Tomorrow.
Lordship.
Friday is 18 or what?
19. I take instruction. Lordship. মই নহয় এইটো। এইটো মই নহয়, মই secretary। মই নহয়। আমাৰ অফিচৰ ফালে seal দিয়ে। অফিচৰ গভৰ্ণমেণ্টৰ অফিচত seal দিয়ে। আমাৰ গভৰ্ণমেণ্টৰ seal দিয়ে। কোনে মাৰিছে ক'বই নোৱাৰে। ঠিক আছে, আমি চব কৰিম। তোমালে কি আছে?
You're to appointing you as a president.
Yes.
Is not in terms of the earlier deed.
No.
And the registration of deed, trust deed is also without following
No,
the
my lord,
procedure.
that is their view, my lord. But as per the, my lord, the earlier history of the case, my lord, the earlier trustee, they all died. So on leaving trustee, he entrusted me by a letter that you should go ahead to the new trust because there is no living member.
After,
on the-
after their death,
After that. So my lord,
Where it
after,
is?
after my lord,
where it is?
it is my lord, yes. Lordship, my lord, come to my lord, the-
How a dead person can
no, no,
authorize
not
you?
that person, not that person. At the time he was living, my lord. Kindly come to annexer 2 at page 46, my lord.
Yes. I heard Mr. Aye, huh? P. Mahantalan, counsel for the applicant writ petitioner. Considering by filing this application, the petitioner, the applicant has prayed for stay of the notice dated 11/12/2025 issued by the Additional District Commissioner Nagaon, addressing to dash Neil, huh? Neil. Whereby the meeting for reconstitution of managing committee of the board of trustees of Krishna Ashram Shiva Mandir is sought to be held on 18/12/2020 at 4 p.m. Despite the matter is sub judice before this court with regard challenging the similar notice for convening of meeting, a similar meeting for which a notice was issued on 05/12/2025 fixing returnable by 4 weeks. And the interim relief and the question of maintainability raised by of the petitioner to be considered on the next return. Mr. S.S. Roy, who has to obtain instructions?
Lordship, my
Then counsel by the petitioner
respondent.
to obtain respondent number
3.
to obtain instruction, definite instruction from the additional deputy commissioner, district commissioner, district commissioner Nagaon, huh? List the matter as item number 1 tomorrow. We'll see. You just take it. Over the phone, you just tell them better to, withdraw till the returnable, till the case consider interim prayer or maintainability is considered by this court. What's the urgency? Unnecessary.
I take the
You advise them.
My lord, there is another IA, my lord, a miscase, my lord.
For what?
This is my lord, strike off of the, my lord, the respond number 5, 6 and 7, my lord. So this is.
Striking off.
Taking.
Not Mr. So-and-so. Where is the item?
4136, my lord.
Objection, no.
no objection.
So-and-so, huh? This is an application seeking, praying for a striking of the name of the respondent number,
5, 6 and 7.
5 respondent numbers, 5, 6 and 7 from the array of parties in WPC, in connected WPC 6868 of 2025. Why you have implicit them?
My lord, actually, there was
Why
a
made
mistake, my
them
lord.
party?
Personally, my lord, they were made party. Actually, they
Huh?
should not- the personal capacity, they were made party, my lord, they should not be done, my lord. That is the problem.
It is the submission of, it is the submission of Mr. P. Mahantalan, counsel for the applicants, that the respondent number 5, 6, 7, 5, 6 and 7 have been inadvertently added as party respondent by Indian, by name, and the said respondents are the officials. What?
My lord, in their official capacity, I should have been brought, my lord, but that was in personal name I brought. There is no any, my lord, malafide statement. That is why, my lord.
They are not party.
They are party to the proceeding.
Proceeding meeting, my lord,
The
that is why I made
proceeding
party
they
that official.
attended, Lordship.
But there is a
Official.
mistake, my lord. I should have made them as a official, but this is not personal, that is why.
Then in that case, the personal plan, nah. Therefore, praise for, allow, praise for striking of the, said respondent number 5, 6, and 7, huh? Having considered that the petitioners, there would not be any grievance against the respondent number 5, 6, and 7 in their in their personal capacity rather than the official personal capacity. I deem it appropriate to. I am of the considered view that the respondent number 6, 7, 5, 6, and 7 are not even a proper party in the connected WPC 686. Accordingly, the names of the respondent number 5, 6, and 7 are allowed to be are hereby struck off. Huh? Okay. I stands allowed to respond.
My lord, necessary, my lord, cost that corrected, cost that will satisfy.
Amendment was stated in view of the order passed, so it's in the writ petition. Yes, kindly, we'll list it, we'll take it away. All right.